4:07 a.m. candle, or it's actually easier on the 5-minute time frame. If you guys see the 4:05 candle, 4:05 a.m., that is a break of structure for SPY. We break down below 4:05 candle a.m. and close below it, SPY is gonna be very bearish. As you guys can see, we tried to do it at 8:40 a.m. We tried to do it at 8:45 a.m. Failed. So SPY right now is still in the bullish structure. And that's it. We are still in a very, very big buying algo. But I need PCP to reject if you're bearish. Over PCP, we're bullish. And then there is a sloping resistance 4 p.m. yesterday to 7 a.m. today. Pre-market. So that's what I have sloping resistance connected.
We got news 9:45 and 10 today, guys. 2 red folders, 9:45. Orange
How is
folder.
the unemployment claim? Was they messed up?
I just clicked off. Hold on.
You see, I'm looking at them. Forecast. Previous.
they're
actual.
good again.
Not bad. Less people are unemployed. Yay.
But last time they had a good unemployment claim. Didn't we rock it?
Okay, we're above PCP, guys. SPY is gonna want to make a higher high now. That's it. Let's see. We are fucking pumping now.
Dude, this market is just a steamroller. Hey, did you see Donald Trump joined our Discord?
No.
Scroll up.
Give me a second. Scroll up. Let's see. How far do you want me to scroll up?
Not that far.
Oh, right here. Welcome, Donald Trump. Oh, wow. We have a Donald Trump member?
Yeah. He's going to be telling the market makers. All right, Lobo, I'm thirsty. I can't wait. I can't wait any longer.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. Look at market. Good morning, June. Guys, my game plan. I'm going to sit on my freaking hands and see if we go ballistic again and just take out pre-market high and just crank. Every single day for the past couple weeks, we've sold off in the morning and then we did a reversal and reclaimed the highs. So, I mean, besides Monday, the 21st. But if you look at the charts for the last week and a half, we've sold off in the morning. There's been profit takers in the morning, and then they just hit the reverse gear and take the highs out. So
I just put a picture, guys.
we're due for a pullback, I'm sure, but I don't know. I have no idea anymore. I'm just going to trade price action cycles.
You guys want to be bearish? I just posted a picture. We need to break out 633.80. 633.80 is the breakdown moment. It needs to close below it on the 5-minute time frame.
Yeah.
If we close below 633.80 on the 5-minute time frame, guys, that's when bearishness starts.
I'm curious to see what they would do at that cluster at the end of day there, where they made that bull flag at 633.30s. There's a nice cluster there. My thing is, Dimitri, look at the Q's chart and look at how much more room QQQ has to go. QQQ's got
They're doing reshuffling. It looks like they're buying back the garbage that they were shorting. So that's why the Q's is a little bit down.
Well, they're almost double top all-time high, but SPY's pretty far extended above.
We shall see.
Looks like a potential cup and handle on QQQ's chart right now. Let me
We shall
see.
see. Everything is making higher highs and higher lows, guys. We are bullish, 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 bullish.
Oh, Swing, are you here? Patel? No, he's not here yet. Morning, Joey.
Intraday, we're very bullish. Morning, everyone.
Did you see what what Patel wants me to do on a shirt for him? That big rocket ship candlestick,
No, I didn't see the Discord at all.
right underneath the Donald Trump, the picture that he always posts.
I was busy last night. SPY is approaching sloping resistance, guys. Let's see how it behaves at sloping resistance.
Oh, I need to fix this. Forgot about that.
Let's see how it behaves, guys. I want to do a put scalp at sloping resistance. That's my plan. I'm going to do a scalp at puts, and I'm going to do a scalp at calls at break of structure. So that's essentially my plan.
QQQ's pumping already. I'm gonna go hands off if they clear pre-market and just wait and see what the hell they do. This realistically would be the best area to try a short, but QQQ's got a lot of power right now.
This is sloping resistance, guys. I do have puts on my screen. I want to see how the reaction is. I'm going to do 635 same days. But everything is bullish. I just don't want to go against the trend right now. Conditions are super bullish.
Let's see what the flow is looking like today. Yesterday morning, dude, as right at open, it was just double puts, double puts, double puts. Today,
I just got in, guys. I'm in puts. The reason I got in is because of sloping resistance and POC popped in. I'm in at 635 same day puts.
nice rejection. Look at that. Wow, nice.
ECP is price target, and I am all out right now. 25 cents trade, guys.
Nice.
Sloping resistance and POC. Once when POC popped in, guys, that was my confirmation.
Anybody catch
5
that?
cents on that.
I'm sleeping.
Conditions are very bearish, bullish though, guys. Conditions are super bullish. Just a FYI. I want my break of structure level to test again right now, and I'm gonna do calls at break of structure. I have 633 same day calls on my screen. We're like in the middle. I'm not interested in PCP.
QQQ's trying to hold.
I also want to apologize to everybody how I was yesterday to Option Doctor and the group.
You don't have to
Ego
apologize.
got, ego got to me, so that's it. The
You don't have to apologize. You're like
Alright, so fuck you then.
you're like my long lost brother. Norville Bears got humbled. Bears got fucking
Oh, buddy,
steamrolled yesterday. Oh my God.
I got steamrolled, buddy. I got steamrolled. I'm still steamrolled. I swung puts, so I'm still extremely steamrolled. But I have August 15th.
I'm not interested in anything here.
Me
Either
too.
want to see us break through where we just rejected from, closer to pre-market high, or we take out 633.80s and try to break down.
We're literally in the middle, guys. I'm only interested in sloping resistance from yesterday's top to today's pre-market top, and then break of structure level. This is the middle. I'm not interested in the middle. If you notice, POC popped lower. POC was at the top today. Now it popped right here where we are. What's their agenda? I have no idea. VIX is at total collapse, guys. If you notice VIX's chart, it's like a total collapse. I'm so shocked what they did with VIX. If you guys look at VIX's chart, it's just completely dog shit.
Yeah,
They did this
Norville.
on purpose now.
It's not a bad idea, Norville. So I'm surprised you got 25 cents out of that trade. Contracts are horrible. Dirt cheap.
Let me see. Filled. 114 in. Oh no, I got even more than 25 cents, right? I got 114 in, 140 out.
Holy shit.
I got a really good fill on that one. I got a really good fill on that one. Let's see if this is sloping resistance, guys, in the making. I want confirmation. 39 seconds. No sloping resistance. Market is going to want to try to break this sloping resistance. I like what I see here, guys. I like what I see. I like what I see.
Put side is growing again.
I like what I see, guys. I'm in puts. I just got in. I'm in puts. Same days. I like what I see. Intraday sloping resistance, guys. I'm in puts. This time I want a lower low. This time I want a lower low. Trying to
QQQ just
wedge.
broke. You should be fine. QQQ broke.
Conditions are the only thing that's scaring me. Conditions are bullish.
QQQ's trying to push below demand. See 20
This is bounce
seconds.
zone. This is bounce zone. I only have 8 cents here. This is bounce zone. I want a little bit lower. Equal lows or a little bit lower. Can I get it?
I think you're fine.
I'm all
Q's,
out, guys. I took my 8 cents and I ran. I'm all out.
Q's are looking like they want to try to start breaking down now.
PCP is big bounce zone. Remember my market update, guys? It's all about PCP today. PCP support, we're going to be bullish. PCP rejection, we're going to be bearish. Everything is about PCP today.
Probably gonna wait until 9:45. Q's are looking like they're trying to break down. They got a little more room to drag SPY down. I don't want to chase puts here though. Too dangerous to chase puts here before they break.
Holy shit, they brought VIX to ground zero.
Market's sideways. Pinned.
Market is very sideways.
What's Tesla doing, Dan? Tesla's leaking? Yep. Tesla's leaking.
I would stay away from Tesla, guys. I would stay away from
There we
Tesla.
go. QQQ just closed below demand. Let's see how far they can push.
First one. Price target hit, guys, if your inputs. I want break of structure.
Yeah, stats. I'm gonna try to wait until after 9:45. This demand, I don't know. Looks like they're probably fooling this demand here, and they're gonna take another leg down. Q's is trying to push south. We just gotta get more bulls on. Put sides
Tesla's
heavier.
very, very, very overvalued, guys. If you want to invest in Tesla, speculative stock. What am I gonna do today?
Think you can rinse and repeat this? Three falling tops. I don't know. I want us to get out of this range. I don't like this range. We're too close to the top. I don't want to short at demand. And QQQ's trying to push below demand, so I don't really want to go long here either.
Wow, look at that 5-minute candle, guys. 5-minute candle is bearish. 5-minute candle is telling me to keep buying puts, guys. Sorry. 5-minute candle. I got puts on my screen, guys. Let's see.
Ooh, there goes Q's. Look at that.
Back in puts, guys. I'm back in puts. 635 0 dates puts. I'm back in. Price target is my green line break of structure. A little bit lower, and I'm out. 633.80 is my price target. 5-minute candle looking beautiful, guys.
It's a big,
That was my confirmation.
nasty wick on Q's. There's a lot of buyers at previous close on Q's. Guys, there's news in 4 minutes. I'm probably going to wait. I'm going to wait. See if they really try to bleed out or they overreaction and pump it back up to supply.
A little bit lower, and I'm out. I want my break of structure. Give me my freaking break of structure level, and I gotta get the fuck out of here. Nope, you're not gonna give it to me. You need to stay below PCP if you're bearish.
Good morning, Swing.
Need to stay below PCP. There's news, right? What, 4 minutes?
9:45. There's two red folders. Q's is looking weak. Let's see if they reject POC or not.
This is POC.
Squeeze, bearish. MACD's bearish.
I just added at POC. Close. I just added at POC. I only dollar costed average 3 cents. I'm not that down. Only 3 cents down.
Yeah, Patel. I'm waiting to see if we take out supply or if we take out this demand from pre-market. Our bounce zones that we had. 633.80s. If we get out of there, then there's a pocket about 60 cents south. 633.20s. If they blow the roof off, I'm not really I don't know. I'm not really interested in trading anything. Waiting for overreactions and just trading price action if they take the roof off. So we shall see.
If we break this, guys, we're going to be bullish. If we break this, we're going to be very bullish.
Put side is growing again. Not quite as much as yesterday. Yesterday was double.
I want to see this reject right here. If we reject, it's golden. But if we break it, it's bullish. We're going to test the highs.
You have 2 red folders in 1 minute.
Setup is looking bearish, guys. But with news, anything can happen. Unless this breaks right now. This is sloping resistance. If it closes, this is bad. Wow. Just got steamrolled. All right. I took a loss, guys. 32 cents loss. I am break even on the day almost. I'm actually $700 up. That was a big loss.
Here.
That was a big loss.
This is your sloping resistance from opening candle. I just don't want to step in front of this now. News in 30 seconds.
I don't want to participate in news also.
Holy shit. I had my order quantity on 1,000 by accident.
It's great.
Could you imagine?
Can you imagine? That'll be great.
I don't even think I would get filled. $1.26.
Oh yeah, you would. Oh, you would definitely get filled.
I don't think they would fill it in one order. That was the red folder?
I think I had 700 or 800 contracts. That was my highest. I got filled instantly. Sell on the sell wise.
That was the red folder? Nothing? Oh, it's
Bullish.
pending.
Very bullish, guys.
It's pending. It's a 946.
As soon as we broke out of sloping resistance, we're bullish, in my opinion. We're very bullish. I have puts on my screen. Since I took a loss, I'm going to hammer it with the same size. A little bit higher, and I'm going to try this massive sloping resistance.
The data comes out at 946. Here we go. No, it's out now. Seems like the best area to try a short, but put side is still growing.
Here we go. I'm in, guys. I just got filled. This is sloping resistance from yesterday's highs to pre-market highs. But if this blows the roof, guys, it's a channel breakout. But for me, this is my best R&R. I will try here. Give me my loss back, please.
I don't want to be a part of this if they fucking blow the roof off.
Give me my loss back. We blew past micro sloping resistance. We never back tested it. That could be price target number 1. It actually is right like where PCP is, previous closing price. Everything looking bullish though. Staking candles, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 staking candles. I'm just playing my line.
QQQ steps on the gas. They're gonna go. Yep.
Yep, they're going.
QQQ stepping on the gas.
They are going.
And blue skies territory again. Norville, I'm waiting for you to say it. Fuck them bulls. Look at these.
Fuck,
look
dude.
at this.
I'm getting fucking steamrolled again.
Look at the Hulk. Dude, I'm telling you, man, it's this vacuum. QQQ. If you look at QQQ's chart, they have a cup and handle at all-time highs. So I won't be surprised if they try to rock it today, and it's just gonna take SPY north. Q's is at supply right here.
This is the only level I have right here for SPY. After this level, it's blue skies territory. I'm still in. 107 average, we're at 89.
QQQ's at supply. Bulls are still here though.
This is the level. This is the higher high level, guys. We need to break this level to make a higher high. So
I'm gonna try it here. $6.36 puts. $1.30. How much are these?
yeah, this is the best R&R.
I'm gonna try it here because Q's is at supply. If Q's pokes through supply, it's just an immediate sell. I'm not gonna risk more than probably 10, 15 cents on this. $6.36. What's my average? $1.39. If we just hang out at the top here, I'll probably just jump out of it for a couple cents of profit. I'm afraid of a breakout candle coming in, so whatever comes first, 10 cents, breakout, or 10, 15 cents against me. QQQ still respecting supply at the moment, so they should pull back a little bit. Just every time we get a red candle after one of these big Hulk candles, it's usually bought right back up. Here we go. Dude, my contracts are not moving today. There they go. Now they're moving. It's gonna be a
Oh,
quick.
they move all right.
It's gonna be a
But
quick.
go the opposite
It's
way.
gonna be a quick sell, guys. I'm not staying in this long. QQQ's pulling back nice. Spy's not. I'm gonna take half off just in case we bounce here. I got robbed on this one, dude. I hit the top and they only gave me 2 cents. That's crazy. I'm
It's
down to
crazy how
runners.
much puts there are. 513,000 puts versus 381,000 calls.
I am down to runners. One more push south and then I'll hit the sell button. It's a $300 trade. Ridiculous. I top ticked that and I got slipped. You know what? I don't like this setup. I'm going to sell. I'm out. $100 on the day. Okay, ridiculous. That's ridiculous. $1.39 in, $1.41 sold, and then $1.39 runners punched out.
This is yesterday's peak highs. The over impulsive move from the earnings, I believe, right? Yeah. This is yesterday's peak highs.
If QQQ breaks down, I'll chase. I'll get back in.
Can you imagine this
635s.
is a double top? Oh my god, if this is a double top, guys. But a double top has to confirm if 633.80 breaks down, guys.
I'm
So
back in. I know I'm kind of fidget spinning right now, but I like the weakness coming in on the Qs now. I'll just risk to high a day. If they close back above high a day, I'll take a loss. I'll flip right a couple $100, but it's fine. Weakness coming in on Qs. And MACD's looking like it wants to roll over. I'd love to get VWAP right now. That would be beautiful. Pull back to VWAP and then another V bounce. Doesn't look like the sellers could push hard though. We're getting wicks on both sides.
yeah, I could tell what kind of day it's gonna be.
Yeah, it's like they're starting the algo already. and they're just going to have these small micro candle pullbacks and just grind north. What I don't like is my premiums are not moving fast, but they're getting lit up when they go against me. I have a 94-cent average, 635 puts I'm in. QQQ is at the 200 on the 1 minute, looking weak. I'd like to see us come back and test like 634.80s, somewhere in there, where we broke out of.
You know what's interesting, guys?
There we
Sorry to
go.
cut you off.
Here we go. Here we go.
What's interesting is that we grinded up, guys, and the ticks, I don't know if anybody's looking at the ticks. The ticks was not even positive region today.
Here we go.
The
Q's is
ticks
at
all day
POC.
was at negative region. Ryan, did you look at the ticks chart?
No, I'm gonna get out of this. QQQ just pulled back to POC, so I think this is bounce zone now for SPY. I'm down
I'm
down to 50 runners. Here we go.
Oh, baby, I just flipped red to green. Let's baby go. Oh my God, I'm printing now, guys. I'm still in. PCP is my price target, guys.
I want view up.
Or the broken trend line. I actually want below PCP, guys.
If QQQ takes out demand, I'm staying in this. If Q's takes out demand, I'm staying.
I'm still in. Notice that we went up like crazy, guys, on SPY, but the ticks did not even go positive region. The ticks were at negative region
out.
the whole time.
I'm
That
out.
means this was fake.
I'm out. I'm taking it.
Still in.
I'm taking it. I'm not overstaying my fucking welcome today. 94 cents to $1.12. 1,300 on the day.
Let's go. I want PCP or even below. This was fake. It was zero buying pressure, Ryan. Look at the ticks. The ticks were in negative region. This was manipulation.
Yeah. Ticks just filled up the gas to neutral.
It was negative territory the whole time.
If ticks reject here, buddy, ooh. I'm watching Q's. Q's is back to demand, but they're bouncing 564.50. Strong demand on Q's. I'll put a line there. 564.50. What's the order flow? What is the flow? It's starting to even out a little bit. There you go.
ECP, guys, I'm still holding full size.
If any of you guys hit this, I would trim some at VWAP just in case they do a bounce, though. Just take your money, whatever you have.
I don't know if you guys have the ticks on your screen. I just posted it. We were not even in positive territory all day, guys. It was in sell territory. This bounce was completely fake. There's absolutely zero buying pressure. All this shit is fake, it's telling me. It's all manipulated pressure.
Strong demand on QQQs, though. 564.50s. Big bounce.
I'm not fucking leaving.
It doesn't look like SPY's comfortable with this demand here, though. If Q's flips to 200 and takes back off, they're probably going to go back north, though. Looks like Q's the leader today.
I am not fucking leaving.
And same type of technical setup as yesterday. Right now I see a higher high and a higher low forming.
Oh God, look what came in, guys. This is ridiculous. Look what came in. Look at the fucking strike.
660? Holy shit.
Can you imagine?
660. October 17th, 660 call. $6.77, 2,700 contracts, 1.8 million. It's a sweep, though. They could be selling.
No, that's buying. That's buying, buddy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If it's selling, it would actually say sell. Let's go. My price target is 634.30s. Unless we break this. I'll go as downtrending right now.
I'm about to jump back in. QQQ's looking like they're going to make another run to demand and try to break demand. So I got 635 puts back on my screen. I'm going to wait for a nice rejection.
Odd.
Or QQQ takes out 564.50. If I see 564.50 get cracked, I'm jumping back in 635 puts on SPY. As of right now, we have a higher low. I don't know if they're going to try to make a higher high first. If this goes too far, I'm going to switch to 636 puts. I don't want to go too dirt cheap today. My 635 puts move faster than the 636s, though. Oh, what's up, Jason? You made it. Welcome. Just kidding. I have no idea who Jason is. I'm about to get back in. I'm back in 635 puts. I want to see QQQ take demand out this time. Price target's going to be the same exact area. It's going to be like 634.70s. Unless Q's takes out demand. I got a 94-cent average. I'm up 4 cents here. Let's see.
Give me a fucking M pattern to the low of day. Can you do that for me?
I'm going to try to hold this one a little bit longer because Q's is looking like they're really going to try to crack demand this time. And if that's the case, we're going to blow right through view up.
Give me a fucking M pattern right now. Low of day. Give me an M.
We're back to demand. Q's is pushing through. Let's close.
Guys, if VWAP breaks, it's total destruction. VWAP is neckline.
Let's close like this on Q's. That's going to be confirmation for me to stay if they actually push. No, demand's still there. I'm going to stop out of this. I just stopped out. Small loss.
Oh, good. Wow, we are holding.
90. I took a 1 cent loss on that. 94 in, 93 out.
We are holding.
I'll rinse and repeat this if I see 564.50s gets taken out on Q's. As of right now, we have higher high, higher low. It looks like we're going to make a higher high now. That was their last chance for bears to try to take this sucker back down.
X is finally positive region.
I'm back in 88 cents this time. Back in 88 cents this time. QQQ's now looking like they're going to do it. There we go. I just got my loss back. Beautiful. I'm up 10,
This
11
is super
cents
strong
here.
demand.
I'm up 11 cents here. They should go this time. Q's going south now.
This is super strong demand on Qs, guys. This is the 200 on the 5-minute time frame. Oh, if they break this, guys, ooh, this is an empty pocket if they break, guys, on QQQ. QQQ got nothing here if they break this.
I got a really good fill on this. I got pretty much at the top of that wick. I have 12 cents here. I'm going to try to hold this time. Unless Q's flips back up and they close back above demand.
It's a strong demand here.
A lot of buyers today. There's buyers everywhere. I'm still green on this position. I'm only up 2 cents, 3 cents now. I should have took my 11. Let's see. Like, I don't want to be greedy today, but where QQQ's sitting right now, if they freaking crack and close below, SPY's going to blow right through VWAP. I know it will.
Yeah, the Qs has an empty pocket if they blow this level.
So I'm up 6 cents
What's
here.
not giving me What's not giving me evidence is the VIX. Man, they're fucking dumping the VIX like no tomorrow right now.
Q's is looking weak, man. Q's is looking weak. They want to go south. I got 4 cents.
I have a feeling VIX has a gap at 1478, guys. I have a feeling they want to fill the gap at 1478 on VIX. I don't know if anybody knows that gap.
I'm still in. I'm up 4 cents.
Give me one dump so I can get the fuck out of here. I'm bullish now. They want to bring VIX to ground level 0.
I like Q's. Q's is rejecting 564.50s now. As long as we're below 564.50s on Q's, I'm staying in SPY. If SPY clears, what is this, 1001 candle and closes above 1001 candle, then we're going to break out. It's looking like a potential bull flag here. I have a whopping,
I'm shocked.
3 cents here.
Shocked you're playing the bear side today.
I mean, the risk to reward right now for me doesn't seem like, I mean, I don't know. Jumping in calls here
You
is too
always,
dangerous. Just because
you
of
always
what,
play call side.
yeah, but what the Qs are doing right now, jumping in calls here is just too dangerous. If
They're
QQQ,
consolidating and validating this place, man. They're validating this. They want to go higher, guys. They're validating this level.
if QQQ was at supply, I would be,
They want to go higher.
yeah, 1001 candle. If
They
we
want to
close
go
like this,
higher.
I'll take a loss.
They want to go higher, guys. They want to go higher. This is not looking good. They want to blow back. They want to blow the roof. They want to go higher.
I'm going to give this 30 seconds, see how this closes. Double bottom on QQQ. I'm down 4 cents now.
Should
12
have taken
seconds.
profit when I had.
Oh, dude, I had 11 cents at the bottom of that wick. I didn't take it. I thought we were going to go fake out. They broke demand on the Qs and now they're hitting the reverse gear. But we have sloping resistance on Qs. So they're playing games right now. They're playing games. What's the ratio? It's a put side. If QQQ flips VWAP, I'm stopping out. I'm down 4 cents. Yep, I'm taking my loss. Taking my loss. Let's see, 17 seconds.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, I'm back to $800 on the day. Just took a small loss. What was that? 88 cents in, 84 cents out. I don't want to hold because I don't want to get caught in a breakout crazy hammer candle north. That's why I'm not dollar cost averaging or nothing today. Higher high, higher low still in place, so we should make a higher high now. I just don't know how far they're going to go when they take the roof off. I don't necessarily want to buy calls here at supply either, so we'll just wait and see how far the breakout goes. Looking like they're going to do it. I'm going to try the same exact play again. If QQQ hits the reverse gear and punches back through 564.50, I'll try the same exact play. But as of right now, it looks like they're going to try to break out.
I don't know, this is the best risk to reward, guys. I just added again. This is the best risk to reward, man. It's either I'm gonna lose my fucking ass here or I'm gonna gain a lot of money here. I'm in it heavy. This is the best risk to reward, man.
Are you in
635.40.
You're in 35s?
Ooh, let's go, baby. I just flipped green.
I'm going to chase this.
Finally. I just flipped green. I don't know why. I just feel like they're gonna dump guys like crazy. I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm very green on the day now. I have 300 contracts.
I'm chasing this with you. QQQ
Wow,
just took the
I
low back out.
believe
I just got my loss back. Let's see if we actually go any lower. I'm only up 5 cents. I'm getting slipped
just
like crazy today.
flipped.
I'm getting fucking slipped like crazy. There we
Oh
go.
my
There's
god. Buddy, I added literally at the top. I got everything back now, guys. My first loss, my second. Well, I don't think I took a second loss. Come on, break this VWAP, man. Break this neckline. If this VWAP breaks, guys, we're going a low of day.
I got
This is
13,
an M
12
pattern.
cents here.
I am not leaving, guys. This is an M pattern. If we break the neckline, it's low of
taking
day.
I'm going to take it. I just got my
I
L
should
back.
take it also.
I just sold. Dude, I'm getting slipped like crazy. I can't touch 635s. I'm going to try 636s now. This is the second time I got slipped. They slipped me like
I
crazy.
know you want to do it. I know you want to do it. Come on. Don't make me regret it.
94 cents into $1.03 out.
Look at the MACD. The only thing that's scaring me is the conditions. Conditions are still bullish.
Look at the conditions on Q's. Q's looking horrible. Q's got sloping resistance.
SPY has nice conditions. SPY has nice conditions.
Q's got sloping resistance and they're double bottom at demand right now. If they take the floor out, they're going to... Oh my god, there's a pocket.
Come on, please, come on.
I'm back in. I'm trying 636 puts this time.
Come on. Oh my god. If this happens, guys, I'm going to print like crazy right now.
POC. QQQ's at break of structure right now. Micro from pre-market. What do I got? $1.58 average.
QQQ broke the 200 on the 5-minute. This is nice for Qs. This is empty pocket for Qs, guys. Empty pocket.
Yeah.
They're gonna go.
I don't know. I'm gonna get caught in this bounce and give back my fucking previous trade. I have a feeling. I got into.
They should go. This is empty. For Qs. What the fuck are they doing? They should go right now. They should go, guys. They should go.
Minimum, I want PCP now on SPY.
They should go, guys. This is empty for Qs.
Minimum, I want PCP.
Yeah, they're gonna go.
There they go.
They're gonna go. This is empty. Well, they're just stalling at this point.
Should I be a Jew and just take my 10 cents? Or hold this?
No. Qs has nothing. Qs has nothing. Qs is dumping right now. Let's go. Qs has nothing. They should go on Qs.
There we go.
There we go. Qs has nothing. Qs has nothing. Holy shit.
They were just.
All right, I gotta take it,
man.
I'm all out, guys. I'm all out. Holy fuck. That was a $7,400 trade.
I'm holding runners, 50 runners here. I want PCP. QQQ just cracked.
Qs has nothing. It's an empty pocket. Beautiful. Qs still has nothing, guys. Nothing for Qs until 563.09, guys. This is nothing. She has more, guys. I just had a large size. I have
a $1.58 average. We're at $1.85. I'm still holding 50
this
runners.
Is nothing. Qs has more. Qs has more.
just popped.
Qs has 40 cents to drop. Qs has more.
I'm out. POC just popped in on SPY. I'm out.
She has more.
Well, that was fun.
That was very fun. I'm fucking up on the day. I'm very happy.
$1.58 in, $1.91 out.
This is great. Holy shit, my swing is alive now. I just flipped green on the day, guys. I just flipped green on the day. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my
$1.58
god.
in, $1.91 out.
You don't even want to know how much red I was at the high of day.
How much did you swing?
300 contracts, 630 puts, August 15th.
Guys, this is price target right here. Take some off. Don't be greedy.
I just flipped green on the day. Let's fucking go.
This is price
Oh, buddy,
target.
if PTP breaks, guys, it's a party time. This is price target, guys. This is M pattern. This is exactly what I wanted. The M pattern worked perfectly.
A lot of fake outs though before. Anybody catch
I have
that?
nothing.
Or are all you guys
Nice swing.
sleeping?
That was the best risk to reward, honestly. I can't believe I added at the top.
Make my day. Somebody make my day.
Sleeping, sleeping, sleeping.
Cherie, got it. Let's go.
Sleeping.
Let's go, Den.
Swing trades is hilarious. Swing
Joey.
sleeping.
Can you guys be more active? I feel bad just talking to myself. Like Dimitri and I were like robots. Patel happy with Google. What did you do? Swing Google? Nice job, Mark. Stats, you're always locked in, buddy. This is bounce zone. I don't know how far they're going to go, so hoping you guys sold when POC popped in right above previous close. Yeah, Sam, Dimitri and I had a conversation about that last night. We're going to try our best to be in sync for you guys. It's just when we're trading different cycles, like Dimitri's trading same days today. When he's trading 1 week out and I'm trading same days, we're not going to see the same shit, you know? That's usually how it is.
Oh no, that's because I'm already in the longer term cycle, Sam. I'm not trading the longer term right now. I'm already in it. Getting my fucking ass handed to me in the longer term cycle right now.
You caught 40 cents on that on the Qs. Nice. This is
Oh, but
demand
if
here,
we
but this is
dump
a
today,
dangerous demand to go long off of.
it's gonna be a fucking print factory if we dump today, guys. I have 300 contracts. It's gonna be crazy if we dump today.
I'm very content with my day so far. I'm gonna wait for a better setup. I don't like this demand here because if they lose this demand, it's gonna be bad. The Qs is already an empty pocket. SPY realistically has room to 633.20s. So this is the sloping support that we had from pre-market, the rising bottoms from pre-market. If they take this out, then 633.80 and 633.20.
I want calls on break of structure, guys. 633.80s. I will get same day calls. I have calls on my screen. I'm also holding my swing puts. So shorter term cycle, I want calls at the break of structure level. Bears are lining up though, guys. Bears are lining up. But I want calls at my break of structure level. 633.80. Bears are fucking lining up. Look at these people. A little bit lower, and I'm in. I'm not interested in PCP.
I think 633.20s is a good cluster that they might want to head to if they break down. But I'm not taking anything off the table because every day almost every day in the last 2 weeks we've sold off like this in the morning, and then they do a V shape and take the highs out. So I'm not taking anything off the table. What is going on at the ratio side? Yeah, look at how heavy the put side is still.
I'm just waiting.
Look at how heavy the put side is. Patel, swing. Patel 1. How do you want that on a shirt, that picture you posted? You want like the people in it, or you just want the candlestick with the with like the rocket booster coming out of it? You want the people just how it is? Okay, I'll make it for you. Yeah, Patel Patel 1 is the old swing trades, and Patel 2 is Den.
Now we sit on our hands, guys. I just want tops and bottoms of the channel. Right now we're in the middle. We do nothing. Went to a strip club yesterday, Ryan. It was fun.
Whoa, you did?
Yeah, yeah. I haven't been to a strip club in years.
I thought you were playing poker.
Well, after obviously,
Oh, so you had a late night.
I had a super late night. It was fun because the last time I went to the strip club, I was broke. Now that I have a little bit of money to throw around, it was like fun. I've been to a strip club like 3, 4 years.
Really?
Just so random, I know.
No, you have.
No, when the fuck did I go to a strip club?
I don't want to say. You remember that time where I gave Steve a whole bunch of money and he never paid me back?
Montreal did not count. Those strip clubs are disgusting in
No, I'm
Montreal,
talking about New
man.
York. When Steve was begging me for money for
Oh,
a lap dance, he's like, "Please, dude, please,
yeah,
just
yeah,
give me a
yeah.
couple thousand. I got you. I'll pay you back. I promise."
I forgot. I
Yeah,
forgot.
I still haven't
I didn't
gotten paid for that.
participate that night. I was really tired that night. Yeah, I remember. I remember. Now I remember.
Felt like a sugar daddy sitting there, just
This is the
drinking.
50%, guys, from top and bottom. Look at the dirty games they do, guys. That's wild, honestly. 50%, right? We're here. Yep, this is exactly 50%, guys. They just slaughtered both calls and puts. They're just gonna play around, do dirty games here. I got puts on my screen. I want puts. Let's see.
Oh,
It's here.
we got another Patel in the YouTube chat. Join the Discord. We got all
Okay,
the
guys,
Patels.
I just got filled for puts, guys. This is their famous break VWAP and dump. I want to see if this is coming true. This is what they're famous for. They shake out all the bears when they break VWAP and they go lower. Let's see if I get it. I'm in same days puts, 635.
We want all the Patels here. I got to give it to you guys, though. You guys are probably the mass majority of business owners in the United States.
My father's landlord is a Patel. His first name is Raj. His last name is Patel. God bless him. He's been a phenomenal landlord for the last fucking 30 years for my father. But he finally closed down. I think my previous landlord was a Patel also, actually. Yeah.
This looks like a good area to jump in a put.
I'm in puts.
Are you? QQQ
Yep.
is making lower highs, lower lows, but they're back above previous close. I don't know. We're in the middle. I don't like anything here, but risk to reward put side better.
Oh, swing trades. The people that I was working for, I remember, were leasing out their space. They were sharks, buddy. They were sharks. They were from Pakistan, or partners owning a supermarket, and they would be investing into land in Pakistan. They'd buy the land, and then I don't know what the hell they were doing, but in like 6 months, that land would double,
Oh wow.
and they would just sell, flip land in Pakistan. Incredible, honestly.
Sounds like a rap song.
Buddy, they were fucking sharks. I loved the way that they were like doing it. Sharks, making money like crazy.
Flip land in Pakistan. That'd be a good song. Oh, stats. You're in the GWC, buddy. Wow. Don't buy those fucking indicators, man. We'll give
Big
it to you.
shout out to GWC guys. Big shout out to
We'll give you
Magnet
those.
Mo.
We'll give you those indicators. They're all on TradingView and they're free, and they're
Big
charging you
shout
guys
out to Sniper Fraud. Big shout
$2,000
out
for
to
them.
those people. Let's go. Let's print, baby. I want a continuation. Oh my god, fuck. Should have sold.
No, Joey, that other group I was looking at, they're selling these indicators, saying that they're like AI indicators, and they're all free on TradingView for $2,000. Ridiculous.
We should start selling them, right?
No, I would never do that to people. They're free.
Buddy, the only way to make money is to scam. Come on. Damn, I was up 17 cents, right? And I didn't take it.
I think you're okay. If they flip this, then forget about it, though. QQQ.
I love Sniper Fraud.
I don't think it's so much Sniper Fraud. I think it's his other partner there, Mo Patel. I don't know if you met him.
God bless them all, both, honestly. God bless them both. Let's go. And may God bless us through them. Let's go. Come on. A little bit lower. Here we go. PCP was never backtested, guys. I want PCP or even POC. I'll be satiated with POC, actually. I will be satiated with POC. I want lower.
Stats. At the end of the day, buddy, if you're making money, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Your personal money. Just don't buy the free indicators. That's all I'm saying. That's the theme of the video for the day. We are sharks flipping land in Pakistan. Do you want me to make an intro video? You got a good Patel song I can use?
Oh, God. I had profit and now I'm in loss.
I'm staying away. We're in the middle.
Yeah, we are in the middle. Oh God. I'm gonna run this sucker up, it looks like. Here, you could use this song. Right.
I was thinking something else, a little more patelish.
Alright, I'm gonna take a loss. I am getting my ass handed to me, but this is previous sloping resistance. Let's see how this acts. I wanna see how this acts. This should be a resistance. A resistance. You know what? I just added my favorite thing to do. And if this breaks out, I'm out. Please be resistance. Beautiful. Please make me happy about my ad. Please make me happy about my ad. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. I'm break even. This is the middle, guys. This is a horrible trading area. I prefer trading tops and bottoms. Now I'm just fucking scrambling like an idiot. $200 on the 5-minute time frame. Well, look at VIX. They still dumping VIX like crazy. Crazy, crazy dump on VIX. Dumping in price is not doing anything. Ticks are dumping. That means they're filling up the gas. Ticks are dumping like crazy right now, guys. Conditions are very flat. They're just burning here. 50% retracement burn. Ryan, you here?
Yeah, yeah. I'm letting you do your thing. I'm not taking anything here. So,
When do you want to do the class?
uh, the price action class.
I don't know. Stats just asked you a question.
Oh, I'm not looking at the Discord. Hold on one second. I'm making Patel his shirt.
You want to be a fucking teacher this weekend?
Yeah.
Can you get hammered
What?
and do it? I'm joking.
Are you sure you want it on a black shirt?
Oh God. If we break out of this, guys, this is bad. They want to go higher. Volume coming in. All right, I took a loss. I took a loss. Fuck this. I keep scrambling intraday, guys. I'm fucking green, red, even, green, red, even. That is bad.
All right, you tell me, Swing. I could remove the background and take out the green shit, or leave it just like that. Make it smaller, bigger. You tell me. Stats. Yeah, I'm thinking Saturday, buddy. Saturday would probably be better. I don't know. What do you guys want? You want to do Saturday or Sunday? Sunday? Here, I'll do this. I'll make a poll.
That's a cool shirt. I would wear that. I like that shirt.
Saturday, Sunday.
Market is doing nothing. Just 50% retracement. Burn, burn, burn.
Yeah, I'll
At
record it.
50%.
I'm not gonna. I'll do the SPX class separate. Swing. But I can go over SPX because it's pretty much the only way I trade SPX is momentum price action. So
635. Look at the conditions and look at the price. Conditions are super bearish on the 1 minute. Look at the conditions. What are they doing?
yeah, I think so too. Add a little, fade the edges out a little bit. Yeah, I agree.
All right, I'm back in. Let's see how I do.
Probably gonna.
What's this? Because of the condition.
I'm not gonna shut my broker off yet. I'm gonna wait. Maybe see what happens when we head back to supply. That looks like that's where they want to go. QQQ is coming back to their floor 564.50. Potential that they reject there. If they flip 564.50 and go blow past VWAP, then SPY's going to try to triple top. So that's what I'm waiting for. See what they want to do. It looks like an algo.
How are they going up in sideways bearish conditions?
QQQ just flipped their floor.
They're just going up in sideways bearish conditions.
They're going up because there's almost 2 million puts to 900,000 calls.
How? It says 1.1 to 900,000.
I don't know. I haven't looked. What is yours exactly? 948?
948 versus 1.15.
5, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you got to know when to hold them.
Look at the third data burn day, honestly. And look
You
at
caught
the
the bottom,
fucking VIX.
Norville? Oh, yeah. Take some off at triple top and see if you get the breakout. Take some off at triple top. QQQ's at POC. VWAP. This is potential rejection zone. If they flip this, then good chance we're going to get a triple top. Bulls are back, baby.
It has a gap at 1478, guys. VIX is very, very close to its gap. They are crushing the VIX premiums right now. Look how low the put IV is because of the VIX. They're just crushing the VIX like crazy.
Let's see.
Look at the ticks, guys. Negative 318 and SPY didn't even buzz. I want to go higher. You're dumping the ticks. They're dumping it. What is going down today? Nvidia is flat. Apple is flat. Microsoft. Amazon and Google are my most favorite. On the downside. Semis are weak. Wow, Tesla's a dumpster. Holy shit, look at Tesla. Tesla's very close, guys, to the price target. I don't know if you've seen it. Tesla is very close to the price target, guys. Tesla price target 300. Tesla has a very nice sloping support at 300, if you're looking at Tesla. I like Tesla at 300. Holy shit, Ethereum is at 3,700. Wow. Damn, you could tell volatility really came in, guys. Volatility is at $15, and SPY is not really moving that much because of volatility. The days are boring.
I'm not touching this. I want to see if they actually they take triple top out and try to break out. QQQ is at POC VWAP stuck, so
Yeah, volatility really came in.
QQQ is rejecting POC. I feel like triple top is a good risk to reward to try to short as long as we stay below VWAP on the Qs.
I just did my favorite thing.
I'm gonna wait for a little bit higher, and I might try it. 636 puts. I like Qs.
This is sloping resistance. This is sloping resistance. My average is 84 cents. We are at 77 cents. This is sloping resistance.
Norville, are you
Oh,
still
buddy,
holding
if we
calls?
dump here.
Norville? I would shave as long as if you're watching the Qs right now, if QQQ flips VWAP POC, then SPY's going to take off. We'll break out. But 564.50, if we close below it, we should get a cycle back down. I have 636 puts on my screen. I'm not in yet, though. I want to see if we break out first. I could see them popping this because everybody's probably trying to short here. I could see them trying to pop this north. It makes sense. But I'm watching the Qs. QQQ is about halfway. If they pull back from here, then SPY's going to get dragged back down. I'd say at least a VWAP would be like best price target, best case scenario. Where are all these bottoms? 634, 70, 70s. Pretty much like opening candle. Top of opening candle. POC just came in. Wow, POC just came in at the top. Let's see if they hold it as support. Let's see if they hold it as support. Continue to grind.
VIX is on a mission. VIX is so close to its gap. Yeah, I think they want to go. They want to go north. Just the VIX is telling me a story. They want to fill the gap on VIX.
Norville, you might get it. Looking like you're going to get it. Watch out for the breakout, fake out. If they put in a nice candle north and a big wick above, rejection. I'm still not in anything yet. QQQ's trying to flip VWAP POC. And SPY's POC came in its demand. I need them to hit the reverse gear fast like they did that 1009 candle, and I'll jump in. They're going to go north. QQQ's looking bullish now. Oh, buddy, they're going to break out, it looks like. But MACD's rolling. I'm not going to participate in this. I think every retailer is looking to get a short position here, and I could see them doing a little pullback and just mooning it back through a breakout. So QQQ has a lot of room to go north. You leaving, Adeletto? How'd you do today? Green? Green, baby. Good job.
Good job, sir. I might have my first red week.
How much are you down?
I'm down a lot because of my swing right now.
Oh. Your
I'm down
stop is
26,000 on my swing.
Your stop is at 634.60. That's a good stop.
My swing
it's
is just
far, but
fucking me right now.
we're looking like we're gonna break out. QQQ's trying to push, so as soon as they hit the reverse gear and they go fast, I'm jumping in 636 puts though.
My swing is killing me right now.
Oh yeah, let's see if they do the vacuum. Oh, Norville's gonna get paid. Let's see if they do it.
Yep, they want to do it.
QQQ. I don't like how small these candles got here though. Unless they're just playing the game and getting all the bears loaded in. They might be getting all the bears loaded in for a breakout. Norville, how many cents did you catch on this move? That's a bag. That's a bagel. Basically went from freaking low a day to high a day. Oh, QQQ's cooperating. Here they go. Watch out for a fake out breakout. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that's concerning to me right now. 60 cents. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. You got some guacamole. Oh, I so badly want to try a short here, but I think they're gonna.
It is the best restore.
I don't like how Q's is back above UOP. If they slice back through 564.50s, I'll jump in puts. But to me, it's seeming like they're slowing down up here to make it look like supply to get more bears in, and then they're gonna take a nice push north. And it's back to blue skies. Yep. Norville. Just trim on your way up, buddy, or just keep dragging your stops up. Whatever you think fits best for you. Eventually, we're going to have a nice cycle down, so. Oh, yeah. QQQ stepping on the gas now. Yes, it is swing. These little candles are no good for SPX. You need big momentum, big cycles.
Oh, buddy, SPX from PCP to now? You fucking printing.
Yeah, but the little pullbacks really destroy them, though. You need like one or two nice candles in one direction. You jump in, jump out. I can't trade macro on SPX. It's very, very hard for me to trade macro on SPX. You guys witnessed me trying to trade macro on SPX, and I went down on fucking almost 100 and 200,000. But
I forgot about that day.
That was also just a squeeze day, so. $2 ones stay away from, Patel, because the delta is very, very, very low. You got to think a $2 SPX contract is like trading a 20-cent out the money SPY contract. They're not going to move. You want to stay as close to the money as possible on SPX. Yeah, if you're trying to macaroni and cheese it, yeah, buy a dirt cheap out the money contract and see if it hits your strike. I understand, but still, that thing can go to zero if you're wrong. Man, I want to try jumping in here. But if they validate the top, 635.33. Let's put a line there. 635.33. If they hold that as demand, we are bullish. Can't believe this market was at $480 2 months ago. Isn't that disgusting to think about? How much money we left on the table?
I need to stop trading for a week or two, honestly. I really want the fucking crazy pullback to happen because I've been getting my ass handed to me in the last 2 days. I don't like the way I'm trading.
It's just bullish, man.
I know.
Every time we've ever pulled back, the problem is at all-time highs is so many bears come on the board because we're at all-time highs, and it's just do a small liquidity sweep in the morning and pull back and then just freaking hit the gas and go north. Norville, are you still in? Are you still holding?
Lost like a fucking salary in the last 2 days.
Norville, you're the
This is not.
MVP today. I'm going to make Norville a shirt. Guacamole, bottom ticker. I don't like to participate in these slow candles. You're just, right now it's bullish and you're just guessing where the rejection is going to come in if you try to short now. We took out supply. We're above the high a day. We validated it on this 1052 candle. QQQ's grinding north. QQQ's above VWAP, POC, and the 200 on the 1 minute. Q's has a lot of room to go north. Again. And every time we make a new high, it just goes into a vacuum and they just try to push. This is an algo. Since 1020, this is an algo. Identify that. These small candles.
Ooh.
My game plan still applies as long as if QQQ breaks back below POC VWAP and they try to flush below 564.50, that strong demand, I'll jump in 636 puts on SPY. SPY's got to get back below 635.30s and maybe POC. Best case scenario from here to POC, which is 635.15.
Bulls did accomplish a higher high, so I believe we should pull back here. On the 5-minute time frame, we accomplished the higher high. We should make a higher low now, so we should dump.
It's just like, dude, it's like the same story every day, man, where it looks like it's going to hit resistance or supply and it small pullback and then it just gets bought up. I'm with you, Norville. Until I see some big overreaction death bar come in and they try to rug the bulls, that's when I'll try to jump. I want to try to jump in on a trap if the trap comes. As of right now, you'll just be guessing where to short because these candles are just too small. Every red candle gets bought up. QQQ still bullish.
Wow.
As soon as I see some overreaction or something, I'll try to jump in, take one more whack. I don't have any price targets above. That's my other issue. It's just there's nothing above us. And Q's has 70 cents still to go to be at high a day. And look where SPY is. So if QQQ steps on the gas again to try to run to high a day and triple top, SPY's just going to continue grinding like this. Looks like they're going to do it right now. Big candle coming. Let's see. Big candle just came in on QQQ.
Oh yeah, QQQ has an empty pocket now, guys. QQQ flipped. Oh, we're gonna fucking fly now. QQQ is participating now. QQ is flipping to high of day now, probably, yeah. Empty pocket Qs.
Norval, did you get $1 on those contracts? 100%. 100%. Five-minute divergence.
I don't see divergence on the 5 minutes. 5 minute looking nice.
No, I was just reading what Swing. I'm looking at Swing's chart that he posted. 634.82. 634.82. Yeah, a little bit at the see the opening candle, the bodies, Norville. That's like the turning point, I would say, for bears to try to step in. Pretty much the same area. But I wouldn't hold your runners that far. You're going to give a lot back. I'd say if they crack POC at 635, that would probably be like your exit for runners because you'd still be in profit, the 50 on the 1 minute. You got paid. This is the hardest part for me too. If I'm in a long position and I'm getting paid on it, it's just when do you take it, you know? That's the problem. So you can take it all now, or you can maybe get another 20, 30, 40 bucks out of it if they continue to grind, but you're going to be risking them pulling back. But look at the bullishness, man. QQQ still has room. QQQ still has room. QQQ still has a lot of room. 40 more cents on QQQ.
Ugh.
40 more cents. How many contracts are you in, Norville, right now? When you see QQQ get to 560, 560s area, yeah, I would continue to take more off. 560, 560s on Qs. We're going to have a cycle eventually south. Just don't know when. I don't want to see you give back a lot of this profit. It's like you got to think if somebody just handed you the cash right now and put it in front of you and said, if you hit the sell button, you can have this. But I know it's hard to make that decision when we're looking like a rocket ship. Let's go, Choi Choi. Nice job. QQQ still has room. I'd set your stop in profit now at previous high, the 635.30s area. Joey, I'm surprised you're not in this. Good job, Choi Choi. Yeah, I mean, dude, I think a lot of people are taking a break because of the market conditions right now of where we're at. It's just we don't know, we don't know where they're gonna go. And every day it's like would they fake the bears and they pull back, grab some liquidity and just blast off. But you guys are killing it, man. As long as you guys are taking your money and hitting the road and not giving anything back, that's all that matters. $900 a day is huge. Same thing with you, A-Team. $500, even $100 in these market conditions, depending on your account size. You're making a couple $100. Shut it down, It's not worth it. It's not worth it to give it back. What is the ratio looking like now?
200,000 different. Puts more.
This is the same problem that they had yesterday, man, is when they went into blue skies, more bears just kept coming on the board, and they didn't even have to do a liquidity grab. They just continued to grind it north. Good job, Norville. Congratulations, buddy. Today is fuck the Bears.
It's been fuck the Bears for fucking months.
Out of curiosity, man, if you know what, I'm curious. I'm gonna look something up. If we bought like a couple months out calls back at 480, what did those contracts do? Let's try to take a look. Say we bought a 600 strike for, let's do August 1st. August 1st, 600 strike calls. Those are $34. Let me look at the chart. Let's look at the chart.
They were probably less than $1
Let's see.
back in April, no?
Go to the daily. It's not showing me the past. It's only showing me the previous day. How do I think it's a setting. How do I change that setting? Time axis. Time interval. I don't know. It won't let me go that far back. There must be a setting for it. I mean, shit. A 600 strike call from yesterday was $23 yesterday. It's $34 today. August 1st, went up $10. That's wild. Norville, what do you find is your biggest issue with consistency? Do you think it's us? Do you think it's yourself? Like, are you finding profit and you're not taking it? Or are you just, every trade you enter, you red? Or are you over trading and you're taking a couple green trades and then you're taking a couple red trades and then you wash yourself out? You have to identify what's happening with you and what you're doing wrong, and then try to build off of that. I can tell you the things that I fucking struggle with, and it's when I hold too long and I always end up going red. If I stop out for, 2 or 3, maybe 5, 10-cent loss, I can get those back in one trade. So it doesn't put me too far in the hole. Small wins are hard to take on a small account. Yeah, Joey. So don't look at the Don't look at the dollar amount, buddy. Just focus on the process. 10, 15 cents if you're taking profit. I don't care if you're at one contract and you're only making 15 bucks. It's the process, you know. You hit that with size, you're making 150 bucks off of 10 contracts. You can't really look at the dollar amount until you grow that account.
That is true.
Not trading the same amount of contracts each time. Like if I take a big-ish loss, I tend to size down the next trade out of fear and then buy myself out of a losing same day trade. Yeah. What's your bread and butter, Norville? What do you like to trade? Like 3 to 5 contracts? I don't ever remember you sizing like really heavy. No more than 10. What are you comfortable with though? Just have it preset. 10 contracts is your preset limit, you know? And then if you're unsure about a trade or you're looking for an entry but you don't love your entry, start with 5 and add 5 to go to 10. Dollar cost averaging is hard unless you plan on compounding it. So if you start with 5 and you double it to 10, and after like a 10-cent pullback, you get a price improvement. If we continue to bleed, you should double to 20. You shouldn't add another 5. You understand? Because then you're slowly like, look at this scenario here. If you were shorting this right now and you started with your 5 contracts near VWAP and you just added 5 as we grind it up, added 5 as we grind it up, your average price is still going to be so far away from you. You know, you have to compound your dollar cost averaging, and that's a dangerous game to get involved in. It's easy to just smack your 10 right off the bat, and if you're wrong, have a set stop where you want to stop out, and if you're right, take profit or trim. That's why usually I enter everything with 100 contracts, and then I'll take 50 off, and then I'll try to hold 50. Yeah, I understand that too. Well, you have a set dollar amount in your head, probably where your account was at that you want to get back to, and that's another thing. I spoke with Joey about this yesterday. It's like if you're making money in the market, but you're taking it out to pay bills with it, you're making money at the end of the day. It's just you're opening up your account and you're basically resetting yourself to where you started from, but you're getting discouraged in a way because your numbers aren't growing. That fucks with your head. Do you have a plan, Norville? Like, do you have a 5-year plan or a 1-year plan or goals that you're setting for yourself, or like maybe you want to try to work yourself up to a certain amount of capital in your account, or be eventually able to hit 25 contracts or 15 contracts? You have to set small goals for yourself to try to push yourself to grow as a trader too. Because if you're not making the changes, then your trades and your money is going to stay the same. And the only way it's going to change is if you get lucky and catch a crazy candle, you know. And those days aren't the days that you want to try to bet on to grow your account. You want to push yourself to grow as a trader, you know. Dimitri pushed me. I was trading on fucking Robinhood and I was only trading 25, 50 contracts. and now I everything is 100, 100, 100. I used to be afraid of 100 contracts, but if you stop out, I mean, 10 cents is really it doesn't seem like a lot when you're only trading a small amount of contracts, but you don't need a crazy move to make 10 cents. You can capture 10 cents in a candle.
Oh, buddy, back in April, May, remember how those candles were? They were like fucking 30, 40 cents a candle, I remember.
When the VIX was at like $80,
I remember those days were crazy.
any it, honestly, dude, it didn't even matter what side of the cycle you were on because it was just ripsawing. Like you could shoot fish in a barrel at that point because the contracts were just exploding. Contracts were exploding and we were getting cycles. We weren't having days like what we've been having for the last month where it's just been a grind north. And these conditions are the hardest conditions to trade when we're just in one direction and we're very small candles. Very, very hard to trade these conditions. The logical thing to do is like, oh yeah, we'll wait for supply and we'll jump in so we can catch a pullback. But when it just continues north, you don't want to buy calls at the top and get trapped because we saw that 2 weeks ago, those lightning candles where they hit the lower day out of nowhere.
So, guys, what they're doing right now, they're dropping the VIX so badly that whoever has swing puts is being affected so much because SPY didn't really go up that much to the point wise today, 26 basis points. But oh my God, my Vega is so fucked right now. Like my contracts, Ryan, are just deteriorating because the VIX is just dropping right now.
Yeah. It's it's crazy though because they're really pumping north and the VIX is kind of just hanging around at high 14s.
Ah, I have August 15, but damn, they're just killing them right now.
I'm
They're
trying to
just
get more
killing them, killing
comfortable
them.
with being confident enough to hit trades with bigger size. I get discouraged because I tend to make the right call, but I hold too long waiting for a bigger move. I've seen so many trades go from green to red that way. Yep, me too, A team. I'm guilty of it as well, and so is Dimitri. It happens to all of us because you have something in your head, but if you take a robotic approach to trading and you just technically say, "Hey, this is where I'm selling if I'm wrong. This is where I'm taking profit every single time," you're gonna eventually end up on the right side of the ball.
Oh, buddy, I hope I'm on the right side of the ball right now.
Your ball is fucking popped.
I'm deep, 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 deep red, guys. I'm so red today.
Would you say, Choi Choi? What a lot of people are experiencing. A lot of people are trading on small accounts. We oversize because the gains we see aren't that much. Our entries are not optimal, so we get stuck in trading holding because we're in a trade. Same cash. Yeah. Yep. So we're stuck having to be right. Yep. That's why small accounts are the hardest things to trade. Because if you have enough buying power for 2 trades on the day, and your first trade you take is red, and your second trade you take is it's wrong and you're on the wrong side of it, you're going to hold it because it's your last trade. It automatically puts you into that holding hopes panic mode just because you're looking at what you have left for buying power. I think you guys are all on the right track. It's not like you don't know what you're doing. You guys are saying it yourself. So you know what you're doing wrong. You just have to fucking implement it. And that's the hardest part. And it comes back to that psychology class that I did. It's you have to get your mind into that like robotic approach. Take your emotions out. If you're wrong, you're wrong. You sell it. If you're right, you take your profit or you start trimming and try to take runners to your price target. The worst thing to do is have profit and then give it back, especially in the same trade. That's the worst feeling in the world. If you go up 10, 15 cents on something and you're up a couple $100 and you don't sell it, and then all of a sudden it turns the other way on you and then you're red, you hold it.
Norval, I think that would be dangerous, honestly. If they take out the 25K roll, that would be very dangerous.
It's going to make the market explode north. It's going to
That would
make
be very dangerous.
the market is going to go ballistic because every single Robinhood trader, 18-year-old that's wants to watch YouTube videos of these people down in Miami that have making billions of dollars a day, they're going to just all jump into the market and just blow up their accounts, and there goes all the liquidities coming back into the market at the top. It'll bring millions and millions and millions of dollars into the market because people are just going to trade like savages all day long and just blow their accounts up.
People are just gonna blow up their accounts. It's gonna be very dangerous. At one point, I had like 200,000 or a little bit less on my parents' account, and I switched it to a cash account because I didn't have the discipline. I wanted to overtrade, but 1 to 2 trades a day on my parents' account. That's all I did. I haven't taken a single trade on my parents' account for the last week because I'm so bear biased. I've been losing my ass, and I can't. Parents' account, I'm not even trading.
If they do implement that rule, what I was reading was it's going to be up to the brokerages too. So like they said minimum $2,000, but it's going to be up to the brokerage accounts to decide where they want their margin at. So it could be 5, it could be 10. Minimum's 2. So the problem is if like you got a company like Robinhood where they're like, oh, okay, yeah, we'll give everybody margin $2,000, then everybody's going to jump on the bandwagon because now Robinhood's going to be the most appealing broker for people that want to unlimited day trading under 25,000. So everybody's going to jump on. What I'm curious to see is what they're going to change with their commissions, because if they're going to allow margin day trading on $2,000 and your money's cleared and you can jump right back into a trade, they're definitely going to change their commissions around.
You think so?
100%. They'll definitely increase their commissions. They make more money off of commissions than they do off of slippage.
I have no clue.
They
For
can't.
sure, if you call
really-
them, you'll lower your commission, buddy. They'll lower it.
I don't think
I think you have Schwab.
I
I
don't
pay
think
30
Robinhood
cents
could.
commission.
I don't think Robinhood can go any lower. I think Robinhood's like 3 cents or something.
Hold them up, buddy. I'm telling you, they'll always lower it. Hold them up.
What are you at right now, Dimitri?
30 cents.
Yeah, I don't think they'll lower mine. I asked. Maybe I gotta have the broker for another
Never
year.
any harm on your call.
Oh, before I even switched to Schwab, you remember you were at my house and you're like, tell them you have a whatever size account and say, hey, my friend has this commissions and this is what I trade and I want to be at this. Right off the bat, before I even switched to Schwab, I think they didn't drop me to where I'm at now. They dropped me to like 60 cents, 50 cents. I think it started
For
at
sure,
80.
the best thing you can do is just say that you have E-Trade and E-Trade or Interactive Brokers, and they're giving you a lower commission, and just threaten them that you're gonna move all the money out of your broker. They will instantly give you at least 5 cents decrease. I did that several times, buddy. Several times. But then I started getting a lot more money in my broker, and I went from 40 cents to 35, and then 35 to 30 cents. Now they're just not even fucking. They don't even want to listen to me. If I call them, they say bye bye. Are you out of your fucking mind? 30 cents.
They're still making money off you though.
Oh, they're making a boatload of money on me.
I paid. I think I'm at like 40,000 on the year for commissions. A little bit low, a little bit under 40,000 so far. Yours is probably double mine.
Not double. I have. I'm I'm pushing a salary. I'm pushing a salary and commissions. Yeah.
What helps me though is all the SPX trades I've taken. Norville, are you still holding one contract?
They could channel trade this bitch all day.
QQQ
From
is still
yesterday's
looking.
high wick to today's high wick.
Qs are still looking bullish. Hey guys, I'm new to the Discord. I tried a few platforms. I only see the option to trade off the call and put contract screen, where I'm trading the contract movement rather than the price movement. Thus, I've been trading off my phone on Robinhood while watching my TradingView indicators. Is there a platform where I can actually trade off the price screen with instant orders? There is on. If you're on Robinhood, there's a desktop. First of all, you shouldn't trade on your phone. If you can't trade on a computer, I understand, but if you're gonna try to make a living out of this, man, I would get a nice setup, get a couple monitors, at least 2 monitors, and there's a platform on Robinhood that you can trade off of. What is it? Legends, guys?
Legend.
I think it's like Robinhood Legends. You can download it to your computer and you can actually mark it in and out. So Robinhood does have instant orders. You just have to switch. You have to switch the setting. It's not going to be as seamless as like Charles Schwab. You have to actually physically go in and change your order to a market order. If you switch it off of limit and you go to market order, you'll have an instant fill.
I just sent you a link, buddy. Do yourself a favor. Just go to Charles Schwab. I'm telling you.
I can help you, and so could Dimitri, help you set up a Schwab account and Thinkorswim and navigate the Thinkorswim. But this video that Dimitri just sent, when I first switched to Charles Schwab, that's exactly how I set up my active trader, and now I kind of tweaked it to how I like it. I'll post. I'm pretty sure if you go under my name in the Discord, I posted my option doc active trader layout is in there, and my indicators and everything. But the main thing you want to look for, Nix, even on the phone version, if you go to the top right corner when you're looking at an option, it will say order type, and you could change it from limit. You want to change it to market if you want to try to get filled. Because if you select limit, you're basically saying, like, for example, right now we're at 6. So I'm looking at 635 calls. So say I have 635 calls, and we start dumping, and I press sell limit. It's gonna put a sell order at, I don't know, $1.05 or $1.04, wherever we're at. If we blow past that limit, I will not get filled. I would have to cancel the order, put it back in, press sell limit again. So you're trying to sell it at an exact price on the premium. It's very difficult in fast price action. So you have to actually set your limits below the current price so it gets hit. And sometimes they blow right past it and they won't even get filled. So if you plan on staying and trading size, I would be very careful. If you want to do like intraday scalping, Robinhood's very difficult. It works. It worked for me for many years, but I've made much more on Charles Schwab because it's just such an easier platform. It's one button. I have a keybind set up. I can hold the command spacebar button and it'll sell my position if I'm not clicking on my screen. Some brokers don't allow market orders for same days until you have a minimum.
Charles Schwab allows you. Charles Schwab allows everything.
Charles Schwab allows you. You just have to be on a cash account.
Yeah. Go to Charles Schwab, guys.
And you have to make sure your options. That's another thing too, Nix. You have to look at your options level. Like there's different levels. There's different levels to options too. if you go under my name in the Discord, I have a lot of stuff posted there. And if you have any more questions, then let me know. Just send me a DM. But I have the video that Dimitri posted is in there. My layout is just underneath it. My trading view indicators are in there. Yeah, of course. Guys, if you guys have questions, please. I mean, I feel like, I don't know if it's because Dimitri and I have been arguing like sisters lately, but if you guys have questions, please ask. That's what we're here for. This is what you guys are here for. All our knowledge is for you. I feel like lately we've just been putting on a show and slamming trades and then hitting the fucking road. And part of it is because I don't want to stay in the market. The more I stay in the market, the more money I lose because of these conditions. But if you guys have questions, please ask. Dimitri's a wealth of knowledge.
No, this week I feel like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. This week could be the first red week of the year, buddy.
You're not bombarding at all, Swing. I feel like you and Norville and Den and Joey are like the only people that talk. I want you guys to be more active, ask questions.
You know what it is, guys? You cannot be restricted from a broker. If you use a broker that restricts you even one bit, 0.5%, get out of it.
Well, it's like
The
that
market makers,
stupid. What's that
the
freaking
market
rule,
makers
dude?
are like Ronaldo, guys. The market makers are like Ronaldo. You cannot beat Ronaldo if you're playing him with a wheelchair. And
We're
being in
making
Robinhood makes you play with a wheelchair.
we're making a bull flag right now. I don't trust this sloping resistance. But what's that rule, dude? Didn't you say you can't sell your same days right at open or something?
You
Or
can't
your
sell you
next
can't
days?
sell market you can't sell market orders the first 15 minutes. You cannot buy and sell market orders more than 75 contracts. You cannot hold zero dates past 3:30.
Yeah, there's
You see that's just ridiculous already right there.
I can
For a
buy
large account, what my parents have, I can't buy and sell more than 75 contracts. That's ridiculous.
I can sell an option
Market
at
order.
415 on or 414 on Schwab.
Yeah, me too. Schwab is incredible, man. Schwab is incredible. That's why I never play zero dates on my parents' account. Minimum 2 to 3 weeks out now. The volatility on zero dates, I'll never get filled
Yeah.
on a limit order.
Guys, this looks like a bull flag. QQQ, rising bottoms. There's potential bull flag here. I know we're at the top, but
No, no, that's just Robinhood, buddy. So what they do is that they appeal to the masses, and the masses are retail traders, and they're not educated at all. They're gamblers. That's why they appeal to them.
like Charles Schwab is a
That's why the
real
masses.
Charles Schwab is a real bank account. Like I'm not saying that
Exactly.
Robinhood's not a real bank account because I think they still have the FINRA rules, but
No, no, Charles Schwab is a bank account also. Yeah, yeah. Charles Schwab's a bank
Charles
account. Right.
Schwab is a real bank, like a real bank. So like when you open up your broker, you got to actually deposit your money. It's going to take time for it to clear. Robinhood, you sign up today and put
Right.
your first and last name in, and they're like, "Oh yeah, here's $2,000. Go blow it up." You know, they'll
Yes,
let you
that's correct.
they'll let you trade with money before it even clears.
That is correct.
Could you imagine? They're probably like, "Oh yeah, whatever you want, buddy. You're gonna say you're depositing 5, we'll give you 10."
They appeal to the masses. Ask yourself, when was the last time you had a Charles Schwab ad? Never. Fucking, I see Robinhood ads everywhere.
Someone on YouTube said FOMO'd at the beginning like an idiot. Got 7,000 gains on QQQ and SPY on that move. I'm still down 5K.
Come on, can we please break this floor?
Oh, thank you, Jeff. August 25th, 600 strike call was $1.70, and now it's $37.74. $38 actually.
That's
38.74.
wild.
Wow.
That's wild.
Yep. You know what sucks, dude? If you go back to like some of our lives, we both said it. We're like, let's just go long. Every time they pull back like this, let's just go long a couple months out. I'm so mad I didn't.
Can we please break this floor so I can get the fuck out of my contracts? You'll never believe what size I'm in right now.
Oh, swing. I don't know if they'll ever have an event like that anytime soon. What we experienced with like Trump coming into office and then tariffs, he just like it was like just a hurricane, you know? Everybody was panicking because they thought he was going to start laying down all these crazy rules on Wall Street, and just market just went into complete panic mode. But like I
The
said,
market doesn't care about tariffs anymore.
no, but it was a self-inflicted wound, you know. And as soon as they signed the bill and started coming to agreements with tariffs and shit, look at how fast we bounced. This is the fastest bounce ever.
Oh, buddy, if we break this, let's go, baby.
I know, Tech, and
Finally.
me too, dude. I had SPXL at like 80 something bucks. I had a couple 100,000 in it at $80. I would have doubled it. What is it at right now?
Come on, come on, come on.
$187. Yeah, I would have did 100% in fucking 2 months.
On a little bit lower.
This is demand. They gotta crack this.
A bit lower. Uh, oh, I flipped green. There you go. Finally. Oh, I'm down now. What the fuck? Come
AR,
on.
you had a very good day yesterday, if I recall. And actually, I think you had like a green week so far. You've been very green all week. If today's not your day and you're not feeling it, man, shut it off. Just leave it alone. You're very green on the week. They got to crack this right here. If they crack this and bear step in with power, maybe view up 635, just below 635. QQQ's at demand also. MACD's looking like
Oh,
they're going to
buddy.
try to push. We have continuous squeeze, bear side. What is...
I got 100 puts at VWAP, Ryan. Then I added 100 puts more at POC at
Look at the put to
635.50.
call ratio though, dude.
And then at the top of the day, I added 300 contracts. I'm holding 500 contracts right now.
The put
I'm
to
exactly break even here. Exactly break even here.
the put to call ratio is telling me that they're not going to pull back though.
I'm exactly break even. Can you give me some sauce right now? I've been holding through fucking pain, man. Pain, pain, pain. Come on, give me something so I can get the fuck out of here.
I think I'm going to shut my broker off. I'd say risk to reward wise, this is a decent area to try a call if power comes in and you see bulls step in. QQQ and SPY are both at demand. If they break this, close below, reject, bears. But if you see power come in and they try to bounce out of here with power, you could chase along because they'll bounce it right back up. Both sides of the coin. I would be cautious trying to chase a put though, because I do expect a bounce.
Break of structure is low of day, guys. Break of structure is low of day.
I just don't like how there's still so many puts. So many more puts than calls.
Conditions are giving up. Conditions are giving up. Come
QQQ
on.
is
I'm
breaking
green
demand.
here.
They should pull back. VWAP,
Oh, buddy.
VWAP's a possibility.
Oh, buddy.
634.80 if
Oh, buddy.
bears step in.
Oh my God, come on. I
I
have
just
500 contracts though.
I'm not in a position, and I would not chase puts on this though. That's my only thing.
Oh, if we dump right now, Ryan, I'm gonna get all my money back from my swing.
I hope so. I don't like when you're
I'm
red.
down 27,000. I'm down 27,000 on my swings, and I'm up $1,000 intraday. So I'm down 26,000 overall in a day because of my fucking swings. What a horrible day on my part. Horrible, horrible, horrible day. This is why we should never swing. Horrible, horrible, horrible day.
I think everybody's finally afraid of swinging. I think they understand what I've been preaching now, is that it's just the market does not need to pull back as much as it makes sense. The higher we are, the more bears are going to just keep coming on to try to short. Strong demand zone, guys.
This is sloping resistance.
If they break it, we're going to go right back to double
Bulls
top.
are just so powerful. Bulls are super powerful, man. Market just has FOMO, man. FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Where is this money coming from? I didn't expect more than 634. Powerful. Bulls are super powerful, man. I did not expect more than 634, honestly.
Maybe 634 was the price target, but they just need to go a little bit higher to stop everybody out.
I personally thought that 634 was the peak for my TA. QQQ. QQQ is working more weaker than SPY. QQQ can make new highs. Has a triple top. Today feels like a Friday, man. They're burning. Very stressful week. This is the worst week of my year for now. This is a very stressful week. I don't like this week.
It's just a burn session.
Yeah. Super burn today.
Did you guys have a good nest egg to start trading with, or did you guys trade to that big of an account? Yeah, dude, I went back to work multiple times. I kept blowing my accounts up. I was working.
I started with 25,000 accounts.
Yeah, man, it's just
25,000 to 2 million.
I mean, dude, I sold my house. I had pretty much what I drew down on SPX the other day. I blew up, and then I had to go back to work. I had like $200,000. I remember back in Williams Group, I got smoked like 80,000 on Tesla. It's just, dude, it's all about how you want to look at trading. You want to do trading as a career and do this for the rest of your life. Slow growth. Take your little nuggets, take your little bags, stack it away, and just grow your account. Don't spend it, just leave it there. Set little milestones. You know, you make it to $10,000, take out $1,000 and go ball out. You make it to 20,000, take out a couple $1,000, go ball out. But slow growth. That's the only way this is going to work for longevity. Catching those big GMC or GME or AMC gainers or these crypto stocks, yeah, that's a good way to find cool, fast capital, but it's over time, it'll evaporate. Every single trader that I've ever met that's made money like that. That's had their, their saving grace or their home run story where they made $1 million off of some meme stock or Dogecoin or something. They've blown up. All of them blown up. You have to have that robotic approach and treat this like a job. Think about it this way, dude. I read this somewhere, and this is the best, right? And you don't have to disclose anything, but most people work a job for what, 25, $30 an hour. That's like the average job. Maybe I'm even on the high side. You are more than capable of making $25 an hour trading. I'm not saying sit in front of your computer and trade 8 hours and just try to make $25 an hour, but you are more than capable of making $25 an hour trading. You'll leave $100 on the table to try to catch a bigger move and risk it to go red, but you'll go to your job for $25 an hour. That's what gets fucked up. It's the greed, man. It's the greed in the market. If you could treat trading like a job, take your couple $100, hit the road like you're working overtime, eventually you'll grow it enough and your sizing will get bigger to where you're making money where you don't have to work. Greed has killed me. Greed kills everybody. Everybody deals with it. Emotions is impossible to avoid. It's just you have to learn how to deal with them. And once you get to the point where you're not looking at the dollar amounts and you're just looking at the process, that's when your trading will change. It happened to me. When I was living in Hawaii, I was trading and then I was going back and forth contracting at hospitals. I would make a shitload of money working at a hospital for 3 months. I was contracting like a traveler. And then I'd go blow it up in the market. And then I'd do another contract, blow it up in the market. It only really worked when I was just trading a couple hours a day and making a couple extra $1,000. And then I was able to size up. I'd take, a 50 contract trade, make 500 or $1,000 a day, and then just shut it off and stop touching it. I was working in medical sales, dude. And during COVID, I was a trauma surgical tech, so they were paying us just stupid amount of money because the hospitals were getting grants from the government. They were getting FEMA aid, and they were just handing money out left and right to people. One of my friends was making $10,000 a week as a contracting OR nurse, and her contract was like 13 weeks, and she got extended, so she had $260,000 in 6 months. Beautiful. I try to trade right at the money, BNX. So if it's more than 50 cents away, I'm not touching it. If it's more than 50 cents out of the money, I'm not touching it. That's where your delta is going to get the biggest push is when your contracts go from out the money to in the money. The farther out the money, your theta is kicking in and your delta is lower. If you go deep in the money, your contracts aren't going to move as fast and they're going to be more expensive. So right at the money is the best place for scalping. Just days like today, everything's just going to get evaporated because VIX is just so crushed. So they're not going to move fast. Back to demand again. Let's see if they push.
Benix, for your question, you should watch the last class in the masterclass section. Everything will be answered there. Options is an art. You need to understand the Greeks. I speak about the Greeks in the last class. You need to understand what delta is, what theta is, and you need to understand what they're doing today with the VIX. Everybody that's bag holding puts like I am, they're completely murdering them right now because of Vega. When the VIX goes down, the Vega goes down in your contract.
Norville, are you still in? Dude,
This is POC. They're just gonna dance.
you're funny, Norville. One day you hate the Bulls, next day you love the Bulls. AR, I started with 5,000 when I joined the Discord 2 months back, made 30, and I withdrawn 25 yesterday. Starting again from 5,000 today. That's very impressive, AR. You're gonna struggle with 5 though. I mean, I personally would struggle with 5. But if you're paying yourself, protect it. Small accounts are very hard for me to trade. You don't have that. You don't have your
Oh, George, Josh changed my life, buddy. Josh
emergency.
changed my life. I was in the hole for 800,000, buddy. I met Josh when he had 700 YouTube followers. I was one of his first students. Now he has what, like 16,000 followers?
He has like 12,000 people on his lives.
I don't know, but I was Josh's first student, buddy. Josh was selling those classes for $250 a pop. I took them all at that time. Now he charges $1,000 a pop for his classes. I remember back in the days, his Discord was free. I was grandfathered in his free Discord. Now he charges $1,000 a month for his Discord.
And you guys have access to all those classes. They're scroll up. They're under masterclass videos. Dimitri's everything that he's learned is there. You guys just have to take advantage of it. There's no secret. There's no secret to the market. We're not doing anything different than what you guys are doing. I think it's just capital. Like our P&Ls look fucking ridiculous because I'm taking 5 or 6 trades at over 10 cents a piece on 100 contracts. So it's very easy for that to compound. You do 5 or 6 trades over 10 cents a piece on 10 contracts. It's the same percentage. It's just different capital.
Right. I'm only down 1.5% on the day, guys. It's not that bad.
Tech, I feel like we owe you guys because Dimitri and I we've been off lately. You know, the market sucks right now. I don't like how the market is. I thrive when the VIX is higher. So it's just I feel like a lot of you guys are struggling, and it's not just you. It's everybody that's trying to be a retail trader right now. You know. The fact that we're actually making money and you guys are making money, it's inspiring to me that you guys are printing. I mean, I go over the P&L section and like, Cherie, you're brand new. You made $400 yesterday almost. A-Team, $2,400. Joey, whatever. You had a red day. You still crush it almost every day. Sam, you're very consistent. All you guys are super consistent. It's inspiring. I want to hear the life-changing stories. That's what I'm here for. I want to hear somebody come in here and kick the door open like Woody from Toy Story and be like, I just told my boss to go fuck off. That's the day I'm waiting for. You know, Woody walks out of the box, Dimitri?
Yeah, I seen that. I did that last year, April, buddy. That was the best day of my life. I didn't have a boss, but I had a business, and I sold that shit. The best day of my life, man. Remember? We were together.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was the best day of my life. I never looked back, guys. Fuck a job.
This guy right here, just like this. Swing, I was homeless. Well, I was voluntarily homeless because I was so cheap. I was renting out my place in Hawaii on Airbnbs, and I ended up getting multiple condos because I tapped into the market in Hawaii and Honolulu. It was just people were freaking flocking there because I had a really sick condo. Dude, I would rent my place out. I'd just go sleep in my car. And then I got a second place, and if both of them were booked out, I would either go on a vacation or sleep in my car. Those things were like printing 20,000 a month, just the Airbnbs. And then I got fined, and that was it, because the Airbnb laws came out. I got fined like crazy. Look at QQQ, guys. QQQ. Anybody go long off the demand there? 635.33. That was the best area to try a long. And then if they broke below it, that was your stop.
Today's another bear trap day. Same exact kind of day. We have not breaking structure all day today. Break of structure is 635.25 now. Unless this is a lower high right now.
Sheree, you ever do travel contracts? That's where the money's at.
Oh, stats, if they do that, I'm gonna yell like a little bitch and go outside and play. I'm just fucking holding hopes.
Yeah. Yeah, there's big money there. It's starting to fizzle out now, but what kind of nurse are you? What floor? Med surge. Yikes. God
No way,
bless.
Hulk Hogan died? Oh no.
Get some OR experience or ICU experience, and then try to look for a contract when your kids get older. You'll crush it. You'll make your year in 13 weeks. So a traveler.
Oh, wow. A lot of legends died this week.
I'll respect that, A-team. How many years did you do? Wow, you made it. Better you than me.
Shit, thank you. Thank you for your service. Holy
I
shit,
could not
20
do
years.
I could not do the 20. I don't even think my body could handle 20.
He probably takes the same fucking meds that you take.
Yeah, horse tranquilizers.
Buddy, thank you for your service, buddy. Fuck.
Where were you at, A-team? Where were you stationed?
That was wild. Jojo, I've been trading for 12 years, profitable for 3. A while for me.
Nice. I was in Bragg for a while. Very nice. Fun times. What year is trading is everyone in?
You know what it is? Stats is just capital. I'll be honest. It's just capital. I got lucky because of capital. Like my 9th year, I recovered everything that I lost in the 8 years. It's just capital. Get a second job, get a third job, get a fourth job. You just gotta have capital. It's very difficult making money when you have such a small account. I'll be honest with you. Very difficult.
Go behind the dumpster.
Like look at my parents' account now. It's so easy to make money because they're very high. It's very easy to make money on a big account.
Well, you gotta. It's dude. It's all based off of your needs and how you live and what your means are. You know.
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta think like, if you're balling out, living like a millionaire, and you got a $6,000 mortgage and car payments, and you have crazy high monthly bills, and you're gonna be working that account harder. You got a $200,000 account, you can hit a couple $1,000 a day on it easy and not stress about a single thing if you're very modest the way you live your life. Stay in your means. The best thing I could say, guys, is just don't withdraw anything. Whatever you're trading with, if possible, just treat it like you're taking it to the casino. Try not to have an emotional connection to it. I know it's money, and I know we all have bills and we all have our own financial situations, but you have to try your best to just take that emotional connection away from what you're working with. It's a tool that you use to work with. It's like owning a landscaping business and not having lawnmowers. What are you going to do? Show up with scissors? You know, you don't sell your lawnmower after you make a couple $100 and you cut a couple lawns. You try to grow. You get more lawnmowers. It's the same thing with your capital that you trade with. 2014, 2018 break even. My first profitable year wasn't even really that profitable. I was just happy I was green.
My first year profitable, we were in Williams Group. Remember all that swing season? Me,
Oh boy,
Jim,
you guys were
we were
waking up
doing
every day making 60, 70,000.
60 to 80,000, 60 to 80,000, buddy. I was down in the whole 800,000. I made all that money back in 1 year. And then I finally met Josh. Because I was still a gambler back then. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I was just getting lucky. And then when I met Josh, he just fucking completely changed my mindset, and that's it. That's when it just exploded.
This year is my most profitable year to date. The what I'm on track for
Me too.
by far. And I think it's thanks to changing my broker, honestly. I wouldn't have the balls to, first of all, I would never have the balls to even touch SPX on Robinhood. I have not, Choi Choi, but I
He
know
doesn't. He doesn't. You don't even mention it to him. He's gonna say, "How is that gonna help your trading?"
I know
Don't even mention that.
Josh is making over $100,000 a day, easy.
Yeah. Don't even mention that to Josh if you talk to him. He's very. Josh is a very straight shooter. He's gonna ignore you.
Choi
Yeah,
Choi,
Norval. But back in the days in Williams Group, I was still a gambler. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I was getting lucky, and I got lucky. I got all my losses back in 8 years of trading, and then I met my Josh. Then I took all the classes, and then I really started fucking expanding and compounding. But in Williamsburg Group, I got my money back from 8 years of losing. This was surreal, surreal feeling.
I remember
Let's go. This is break of structure, guys. Come on, can we please do it? This is break of structure. Can we please? Oh,
there you
oh my
go.
God! Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Watch out for the bounce though, buddy.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Break of structure. Break it for me, baby.
I don't know
I'm
if this
green.
is. Are you
I'm very green. I'm very green. I'm holding. I'm not fucking leaving.
on the day or on this position?
On this position, I'm still down on the day 22,000.
634.80s is going to be the judgment. That's the line in the sand I'm looking at. What would make sense for
Come on.
bears to really try to step in if they can
The break of
crack
structure. Break of
634.80s.
structure. 2 minutes and 42 seconds to confirm a break of structure, though, guys. We still have a long time to go. But if they just start collapsing right now, it's gonna confirm.
You
This is
lost
break of structure.
150,000 in Williams Group. Oh my god. I'm sorry, man.
Come on, come on, come
Holy
on.
shit. What were you doing, Den? Were you just sizing like crazy?
William taught me how to chart. Josh taught me how to do psychology. I learned charting from William. William was a fucking expert charter. But I like the psychology of the market makers. That's
William
where Josh opened up my eyes.
I don't want to take anything away from William because he's like a Rain Man when it comes to TA, but he has like a lot of he's like an emotional mess. You remember
But
him
he is
like
a charting wizard.
yeah, but you remember how like
He's a
crazy he used to get like if you when he would go on tilt, dude, all in my whole account, full port. That used to blow me
boom,
away.
boom. Come on. Come
And then
on.
he would flip the fuck out on people if you were against him and shit. It was just a very toxic mess. I'm not saying that we're not toxic.
One
We
thing.
probably sound like the same idiots, but
Oh, I'm very toxic. I enjoy being toxic.
I remember that day where he smoked his account. I'll never forget that day. He smoked his account.
Come on, come on, come on. We're below break of structure, guys. We need to close below it in 50 seconds. 5-minute candle closes in 47 seconds. Come on, please, 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 please. This is break of structure. Oh, buddy. If we start breaking down, guys, this is bearish, 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 bearish. If we start breaking down here. This is super bearish, guys. Let's go. 33 seconds. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm
They
up.
just
Oof.
they
Let's go.
rejected the floor, but Q's is at VWAP.
Come on.
QQQ breaks
Come on.
VWAP. They got room to 564.50. I'd say 630 480s is like best case scenario price target if they try to pull it.
Come on. 9 seconds. 9 seconds to confirm a break of structure.
They haven't made a lower
Ah,
high yet though, Dimitri.
look at that. 2, 1. No break of structure, guys. Structure still bullish. Motherfuckers. Structure still
QQQ.
bullish.
QQQ wants to go lower.
They're still bullish.
QQQ's hanging right at VWAP.
6.
They're gonna go lower. Look at the Qs.
Close 1 cent above break of structure on the 5-minute time frame.
No, they're
That's
gonna go
close.
lower. I think they're fooling, buddy.
Go lower.
Look at the Qs. QQQ just broke VWAP. They should dump.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. I gotta take it. I'm all out, guys. I'm all out. I'm fucking down $3,000 on the day, Ryan. That
What?
trade was retarded, Ryan.
How much fucking
I'm
size
all
did you
out.
have?
500 contracts. You don't even understand how much I just made right now. I'm all out.
Oh
That
my
was retarded.
god. Weren't you
I
down
just
like
flipped green on the
20?
day, guys. I'm up 1,800 on the green from my swing trade. I just flipped green on the day.
Oh, your swings are coming back.
My swing is down 24,000, but I just flipped green on the day. I'm up 1,700 on the day.
Jesus. Emotional damage.
Intraday trading, right? 500 contracts. I'm done trading, guys. That's it. Fuck today. I'm just holding my swings. I got my loss back from my swings though, thank God. So I'm fine now.
Yeah, Norval, that whole situation with Jim was terrible. Jim was really really good to William, but we don't have to go there. I remember Dimitri used to fucking rag on him. He'd be like, "Buy some furniture," or did Jim say that?
That
you
was
got,
Jim, not
you
me.
got one chair in your room.
No, I was very nice to William. I met William twice. He was a very nice, timid guy. I was shocked when I met him in person. I'm like, yo, you are not who the fuck you are online versus on person. He was a keyboard warrior. In person, buddy, the most timid person ever, honestly. It was wild. Just on the corner, not saying anything, not doing anything, not participating in anybody.
Yeah, there's definitely some mental health stuff going on there. I'm no psychologist,
Fucking
but
keyboard warrior he was.
there's definitely some mental health stuff going on. QQQ looking like they want to go lower, guys. They might break VWAP now. They might break VWAP. 634.80s. Yep. Here they go.
Oh yeah, buddy. Now we are printing right now on my swings. We are printing right now. Oh, buddy. Please be the day today, guys. Please be the day. I will hold my swings all day if we dump, 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 dump.
Did VIX fill its gap, or they didn't quite make it?
No, VIX did not fill its gap, but VIX is at its turning point, guys. VIX is at its turning point, as you
1520.
guys can see.
1520.
Here, this is why VIX is at its turning point. VIX is in a tunnel, and VIX is at the top of its tunnel right now.
1520 needs to crack.
This is very, very crucial for VIX, guys. VIX could break out right now. SPY did a break of structure. QQQ. Let's see, let's see. QQQ broke structure already, guys. QQQ is weaker than SPY. SPY has 1 minute to confirm a break of structure. And VIX is at a negative structure. So just Qs. Qs is in the worst position right now. Qs is very weak.
Thank you,
Qs is
Marcel.
very, very.
Thank you for joining our toxic trading live.
Sherry, it's just charting. It's not an indicator. Watch the break of structure clash, Sherry. I just do it myself.
I have indicators that do change of character and break of structure for momentum, like trading small cycles, because I look for a change of character and I look for them to break out or break down. That's what I like
Oh
off of momentum.
wow. Oh wow. Wow, wow. Thank you, Swing Trades again. Guys, if the MACD rolls over on the 15-minute time frame, oh buddy. Oh buddy, if the MACD rolls over on the 15-minute time frame, guys. Oh buddy. Look at this, guys. Cloud conditions allow it on the 15-minute time frame, guys. Cloud conditions allow it. If we roll over on the 15-minute time frame, guys, where it's gonna be a dump, 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 dump fest. We're gonna dump like 4 points, guys, if we roll over. Oh my god, today could be the day. Please tell me today could be the day. Thank you, Swing Trace, for catching that.
Cherie, I'll post all my indicators. 1 second. I think there's a way to do it. Sharing. How do I share? Do you guys remember how to share indicators?
We need to start dropping like a rock. If we start dropping like a rock, guys, we're gonna be bearish.
There you go.
Very bearish.
Those are all my indicators. Break of structure and change of character. There's an indicator in there. It's called Luxago, Smart Money Concepts, that maps out strong supply and strong demand. And it shows you where break of structure levels are on the 1 minute.
Woo! Wow. Let's go.
634.80s.
Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit lower. A little bit lower, guys. Sloping support. Sloping support from pre-market to low of day. A little bit lower. Fifteen minutes is about to roll over. Oh my god, 15 minutes is about to roll over, guys. I'm salivating. I have 300 contracts right now. August 15th. fills.
You gotta know when to hold 'em. Know when to fold 'em.
All right, so Q's is in a bearish structure, SPY is in a bearish structure, but VIX is in a bearish structure also. If VIX gets above 1555, we are in a beautiful formation of bearishness.
I am
VIX needs
not.
to get above 1555.
I'm not bearish on QQQ unless we're below 564.50. That's what I'm looking at. That's strong demand 564.50 on QQQ.
All three need to participate. Only two are participating. 2 out of 3 are participating. Come on. Oh, 15 minutes is about to roll over. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Right. This is great. Guys, this is super bearish. If 15-minute rolls over, it's bye-bye market.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm going to make my loss back, Ryan. I'm going to make crazy, crazy money today. What I'm going to post is going to be retarded. It's going to be crazy. I was down 27,000 yesterday, Ryan, by the way.
I kind of figured.
What I'm going to make right now is retarded.
You fucking
What
took
I'm
it
going to
out on
make is going to
me.
be crazy.
You took your loss out on me like I was your dog.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Up 12 already on the day.
This is
The
demand.
day just started, Ryan. I'm already up 12. I'm already up 12, Ryan. The day just started.
This is demand. Let's see if they crack
No,
it.
no, no, we're gonna break everything. 15 minutes is rolling over, guys. 15 minutes just rolled over. Bearish divergence confirmation, 15 minutes. Thank you, swing trades. God bless you. Oh, buddy, this is gonna be fun, guys. This is gonna be very, very fun. We're gonna dump to an oblivion today, guys. We're gonna dump, dump, dump,
Oh,
dump,
there
dump,
you
dump,
go.
dump. We're gonna dump, 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 guys. We're gonna dump like crazy, guys. I promise you. Just buy puts, guys.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on.
We are gonna dump, 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 guys. 15 minutes.
Norville, here we go.
Minute divergence.
Just buy puts. I want to see what happens at this demand on QQQ 564.50. If they crack it,
buddy.
then they're gonna waterfall
I'm
the
back.
previous close.
I am back.
This is demand here, though. This is
I'm
demand.
back. They're gonna slice everything, guys. Bearish divergence, 15-minute chart. I don't care what we do right now. I'm just holding, honestly. Just hold your puts, guys. 15-minute chart, bearish divergence confirmation.
I don't know if
Just
anybody's
hold
in.
your puts.
Is anybody in puts right now?
Hold your puts, guys. I'm up fucking 15,000 right now, guys. These contracts are it's just gonna be a print factory, Ryan. I think I'm gonna be crazy, crazy green today, guys. I'm not even shaving at all.
I wouldn't touch SPX here. It's lunchtime, man. We're back to the middle.
It depends on what cycle you're trading, guys. They're gonna do fuckery intraday, but I'm in the macro cycle. Don't forget.
We're back to the middle. This is demand. For SPX, dude, you need fast candles. We're still moving like a slug. Look at how long it took us to come down from the high. Over an hour.
You gotta have dated contracts if you want to trade macro. And do 0 dates on macro. Holding my August 15th.
I would honestly try calls here. Burst to reward. This is demand. Because if they bounce from here and take out sloping resistance, we're going to go back to 635.30s.
Yep, this is pre-market support. Pre-market support. Hoping support pre-market.
This is also our breakout zone, and it's the top of opening candle body. This has been a demand zone most of the day, and it was our turning point when the bulls stepped in for a breakout. So this is bounce zone here.
MACD hugging and kissing on the 15-minute time frame.
Well, look at the time. It's lunchtime. They could cycle between here and 635.30s for the next hour if they wanted to and just burn. Exactly.
I need a
Swing.
firm crossover on the 15-minute time
Exactly,
frame. We
swing.
need a
That's
firm
exactly what I'm looking at.
crossover.
Exactly what I'm looking at, swing. Yeah, they can just burn and then take their direction after lunch. The problem with these candles right now, swing, is they're not moving fast enough for SPX. Even if you bottom ticked right off of 635 or 634.80s, I mean now you'd be red on it because we're pulling back, but you'd have to sell that candle. You can't just sit and hold it. It's just moving too slow. Gotta know when to hold them.
I need a firm rollover on the 15-minute chart. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart right now. It needs to be a firm crossover. We're not getting that. We're not getting that. What's the put to call? Ugh, way too much puts. 2.2 million versus 1.6 million calls. Man, there's way too many call puts, man. What the fuck? They're eventually gonna start paying the puts out though.
Dude, what happened to Hulk Hogan? Does anybody know? He was just down here in Florida. He owns like a beer company down here. Yeah, he had a heart attack.
Very sad.
I wonder why.
Too much Viagra.
Oh, dude, you just look at him. He looks like he has high blood pressure.
It's like too much Viagra.
Who said that?
Me.
Oh,
Make
Hulk
myself
Hogan.
laugh.
Hulk Hogan. Yeah, man, he was just down here. He was down in Jupiter. He opened like a beer store or something. A liquor store.
In Jupiter?
Yeah.
I love Jupiter. Jupiter is nice, man. It's where Tiger Woods live, right? That's where you showed me, Jupiter?
Yeah. Hulk Hogan's daughter
Oh, yeah.
actually. Hulk Hogan's daughter lives down here.
Oh, Jupiter is sexy, man. That's goals right there. Jupiter is nice.
Jupiter is very nice, yeah. If we move, I think we're gonna move to Abacoa. Abacoa is like this new up and coming town in Jupiter. I don't think I showed it to you. Did I show you Abacoa when you came down?
Oh.
It's very nice.
I want to come by back there.
Was that just English? Want to come by back there?
Yeah. I want to come back there. Let's go. Let's go 15 minutes. 15 minutes looking nice. Come on. Stop hugging and kissing. Just roll over 15 minutes. Just roll the fuck over. Finally, we're rolling over nicely.
All right. Swing trades. Let Let me work on your shirt now. My broker's off. I'm not gonna participate in this lunchtime stuff. I think Ryan G wanted something else as well.
Can you send me my stuff,
Yeah,
please?
dude. Out of everybody, you own the most merch out of everybody. You
Because
own more.
I just wear it all day.
I like. Did you see the cursive one that I did? It looks sick.
Yeah, yeah. Send me that one also, buddy. Just start sending it down.
You just replace your whole closet with TradeHub merch.
Oh, I got my stuff that I ordered from Young LA.
Yeah, how's it look? Is the quality
Looks
good?
good. Fits weird. Quality is good. Fit is a little weird.
Is it fit like a muscular? It fit like fitted?
A little baggy.
Yeah. Well, a lot of their stuff is oversized. It
It's a
says it
little
on there.
baggy. I don't know if anybody knows the company Young LA. It's like a workout company. Yeah, a little baggy, but it's fine. First time ever.
That's all right.
Go dump, guys. Let's go.
Fucking.
Woo! Magdi's rolling over on the 15 minutes. Magdi's rolling over.
It's not like it's a $400 shirt. What'd you say? It was like $30, $40.
20, 30 bucks. Yeah, 20,
Yeah.
30 bucks average shirt.
Yeah. That's reasonable. I don't know. Buying expensive shirts I don't wear. I'm just too
You
cheap to
better
buy
wear the
them.
shirt I bought you.
Oh
That shirt
yeah.
was fucking.
I'm just too cheap to buy them. That's the problem.
I bought you an expensive fucking shirt. You better wear it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna be on the computer all day. I'm gonna make 100,000 today if we dump. Oh, let's go. Let's go, guys. 15 minutes successfully rolled over now. Look at the beautiful rollover on the 15 minutes, guys. Bearish divergence, 15-minute confirmation. Don't even fucking look at calls anymore. Just hold your puts, guys. Just hold your fucking puts. This is great. This is great. I had 0 dates also. I just sold.
Can
This is
you
great.
post? Can you post?
What do you want me to post?
Post your post your
Up 23,000.
post your P&L so I can show everybody.
No, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna post the final when I sell everything. I have 23,000 here, Ryan. 4,000 more, and I'm break even from yesterday, and we're not even at PCP.
Yeah, Norville. Do you want it like? Do you want it to look like that, or do you want it to be like cleaner, or do you want like the two shades of gray in it?
Let's go. Let's go. Bearish divergence confirmed.
Did you see the hoodie? Hold on, let me show you. Tell me if you like the hoodie, and then I'll do it on a shirt. Gotta know
This
when
is
to
beautiful,
hold
guys.
'em.
This is beautiful, 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 guys. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. I'm
Do you
just
see this
fucking
one?
scalping puts like crazy. Puts, guys. This is great. Look at that. Look at that. Swing trades, God bless you, brother. Swing trades! Oh my god. This is
Norville, you
crazy,
want
crazy,
that
guys.
one?
Solid bearish. Solid bearish, guys.
Are you green on the day?
Yes, I am. I'm green from yesterday. I'm green on the day. I'm green, green, green. I'm green on the week now. I was sick to my stomach. I was down like 50,000 on the week. Now I'm green. I'm green on the week. I just recovered crazy money today. Crazy, crazy money recovered.
Imagine if you held your 500 puts intraday.
Oh, I would have made 100,000.
Jesus. That would have been nice.
Yep. I'm I'm disgustingly green, Ryan. Disgustingly green.
I'll take my measly $4,300 and no stress any day of the week, though.
I'm not even selling. I'm not even selling. We just started. This is just the beginning, guys. Bearish divergence on the 15-minute chart is just the beginning. My price target is 632.77. Yeah, I want
QQQ
632.77.
QQQ is at the turning point right now, 564.50. So it's crucial QQQ rejects here.
I want at least this price target, guys. I'm posting it right now. I'm gonna shave 100 contracts at that price target.
Norville, did you see the hoodie I posted? Like that? You want that on a shirt?
That is 50% retracement, guys, from yesterday's lows to today's highs. That's the price target I want. 50% retracement. 632.70s. 50% retracement.
Okay, 1 second, Norville. I'm making it now. I already have that saved, so that's easy. I'm gonna name it the Norville edition. What color? Black or white? Or both? Easy peasy. I got you, swing. Norville, where do you want it? Right in the center? In the front or the back? Big, small? You tell me, buddy. This is your shirt. Okay.
God. Did this just come in, guys? Look at this huge fucking order.
QQQ is
Huge order just came in.
QQQ's holding demand still, Dimitri. That's the only problem.
Look at this huge
564.50.
fucking Nvidia order, guys. $9 million in premium. That's insane.
You gotta know when to hold them. Let's see. Backside.
Dump by the technicals. Bearish divergence. We're supposed to dump. We're just doing fuckery right now. We're supposed to dump. Five minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minute also has a bearish divergence. We're supposed to dump, guys. If you hold your puts, you're gonna make money, guys. We're supposed to dump. My price target should hit. We're supposed to slice PCP, guys, and go to 632.80s. I'm telling you guys, just hold your puts. Don't be emotional. We're supposed to dump. We're gonna dump like crazy, guys. Yeah. No emotions, guys. I'm holding my puts all the way to my price target. We're gonna print like crazy today. Alright, I'm gonna take my laptop. I gotta go spray paint. I'm out. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Ryan,
Nice.
good job. We were finally synchrony today.
Oh, buddy, I've freaking no emotions today for me. Just get my bag and get the hell out.
Alright. Take care, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here.
I'm still here, Norville. Hold on 1 second. And then when I'm done with this swing, I'll work on yours because yours is going to take a little bit longer. I gotta. Do you want just TradeHub like very minimal in the front, Norville? Or do you want the actual logo? Or the cursive one? I'll make a black one too. Okay. Logo. Yeah, that's fine. That's easy, man. You want it big or small? Smallish. Like the size of like a Nike swoop or like an Adidas. Okay. A little bigger. All right. Yeah? Yes, no? With the spider on the back? All right. I'll make a black one too. I think I'm going to order a black one for myself. I like this with the spider on the back. Let's see. My templates. Yeah, I think I'm going to order one for myself. It's like minimal, right? Where's the spider? Yeah, the black one looks sick. I'll show you the black one 1 second. Black one's dope. Good call, Norville. That looks sweet. Dude, I have like I can pretty much unlimitedly make whatever. So whatever you guys fucking want or can think of, just let me know. I like doing this shit. It's fun. And they're cheap shirts. They're like $20 and then I don't know, $10 for shipping. I think it's just more fun making them, to be honest. Swing, what did you say? Hold on, I'll post you the link in a second. I gotta like publish it. This one's gonna be called the Norville Edition. Dude, I'm still bullish, guys. Honestly, just to go back to the chart. I know I'm not trading right now, but look at the demand zone on Qs at 564.50. So don't get too biased and just like I know Dimitri has a macro price target, but intraday, I just don't see what he's seeing right now. 564.50 on the Qs. We need to take that out and close below it and really try to push the previous close. It's a huge turning point on QQQ. Right now, we could just channel trade in between PCP and 635.30s. That's what I'm thinking. So. One second. The Norville edition. Nice. Okay, I think it's up. Let's see. Catalog. Tease. The Norville edition. Nice. Here you go, Norville. All right, swing. What did you say? What was that, buddy? What call? You're saying calls or calls done? I mean, this is supply. This is where we rejected. I would say if we flip out of here, out of the 200, 635.33s is price target. Shuri, UNH is dead in my opinion. I bought UNH at like 250 when we pulled back. I bought calls on it and my price target was $300. It was a nice little run, but I think UNH is done. If it's something that you want to invest in for long term and just leave it for 6 or 7 years and not worry about it, that's how you should look at UNH. If it's something that you just want to leave and just throw your money in it, but the UNH is, they're never going to go out of business. It's just got ran over after the CEO got killed, and then they had the antitrust lawsuits and insider trading bullshit. It's a very slow moving stock. If you look at the daily time frame on UNH and think about everybody that had this in their 401ks, I actually know somebody personally that works for UNH, and he's been investing into them with his 401k match, and he lost pretty much everything that he put into that company. I mean, we're back to 2019. So if you bought UNH in 2019, all of your gains got taken away. I'd say if it's something that you want to just throw some money into and not look at it and not watch it closely, yeah, that's fine. But yeah, it's going to be much longer than a few months, Shuri. It's going to be years and years and years. Very slow moving. That's why I hit options on it when we were so oversold and just caught the bounce, because I knew there was going to be some type of overreaction bounce, and then that was it. It's done. It's dead in the water now. You think this can head and shoulders? Dude, I'm honestly, I'm not bearish unless I see the Qs start breaking down. I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish. We're sideways right now. We're in a channel. 635.30s to 634.80s. Looking like the channel. Our lowest scenario channel is going to be previous close. You're looking at the 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah, you thinking right shoulder at 635.30s? Potentially. But the bottom of your price target's going to be previous close. Yeah, Norville, and nobody freaking bought anything. We gave everything away. I made a ton of shit. I have a whole bunch of shirts and stuff and hoodies. They're cool. They're cool stuff. I can add. Yeah, Joey. Yeah, you did, Joey. I forgot about that. Joey, you did. I think who else bought stuff? A few people. A few of you guys bought stuff. I thought everybody was going to jump on it because they're just cool shirts and they're cheap, but it is what it is. There's a setting on there where I can open it up where you guys can actually personalize your own shit if you want. But it charges you for it. You're better off just having me make it. I can just make you whatever. It takes 2 seconds. Joey, I'm opening up another company. I'm gonna buy those electric Stark bikes, those electric motorcycles, dirt bikes. You ever see those Starks? And I'm gonna get a partnership deal with Stark Future for like demo units. They're gonna send me a couple bikes for demo units, and I'm gonna bring them out to the track and let people drive them. This is the website that I built. Florida MX Rentals. it's not popping up. Hold on. Yeah, I wouldn't buy calls, dude. I wouldn't touch anything. It's lunchtime. I'd say best area to try supply is at the shoulder. That Stats was saying 635.33 is that supply level that we have, or try going long closer to previous close. As long as QQQ is holding 564.50s, I'm bullish at the lower side of the channel. If they start breaking through these demands, then forget about it. They're gonna go. But yeah, I agree, Swing. I agree with you, buddy. Oh, I just saw your DM, dude. I'll send you some things before I make them though. I want you to tell me if you like them first, Swing. I gotta try to like blur that background out a little bit so it's not as like, it doesn't look like just a picture posted onto a shirt, you know? But I think that's it for me, guys. That's it for me for today. As of right now, we're sideways. But it looks like they're trying to build some sloping support again, so I'd say this slow price action, just stay away from. VIX is too beat up. Just stay away from it. But I'm going to jump off, guys. Don't overtrade. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Today's live seemed like it was a lot better, so I will... Did you record, and how far along did you record this session today? I've recorded the whole thing, MJ. The whole thing. The whole thing is going to be posted on YouTube. It's just live during the stream. It's delayed. It's delayed 30 seconds because it's not fair. It's not fair to live stream the Discord to YouTube for free. So it's 30 seconds delayed. And then once the stream's over, then you can go back and replay it. But all right, guys, I'll see you later. Good job today. If you have any questions, just shoot me in the DMs.